Ebusiafo bechiamu na ewe Yesu dim Kristo asundie enkamo. Ene nsuo ni yese eto nti ama network no aye some way bi, but I'm so sorry. The of late no things are getting sembebre. I hope say aba back here right be hu yemobo na your topic e discuss afa ho no ya ebe fine. Me pacho ya sanso ba bio nti pacho wo so a na wa share link na mo bi. Mami Gladys, welcome. Mewakwaba. Sister Ifya Mercy, mewakwaba. Ebedru media no so. Ye ba na network no. Rough nti. Ya sanso akwaba. You are just praying. Nso atowa ha say. Chama network na. Mami Elizabeth, welcome. Mewakwaba. I hope say this time round no there. It's cool. Kuwait News, welcome. Me so sorry say yedika baya na mwaye. Mr. George from Dubai, welcome. Near boy sister B any testimony. Sister Grace Mensa, welcome. Patch up me invite. Okay. Christiana Dankwa, welcome. Me patch any topic no na watch mu ye kasa fa akwantuo mu nsem. That's the topic we've been treating this week. Na nyame ya adom ma yenya ebe mu ba mo ne be share omo experience. Concern the omo fa mu. Mr. Manase Nana, welcome. From Canada, thank you, boss. Sister Abigail Bamfo, welcome. Tina, what you know, you tackle this topic, pa na just agro. Ken Boatin, also me, I'm using Heaven Network 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Yeah, to boss. And I transfer with my wife. Esther Naomi, welcome. Mo transfer be my mo network ni gina so no. Mo transfer be my na ya no for ne person mo tena so. Mr. Simon Akologo. That's so was so akwa Evangelist Mary Akwa Adwa. Me ame ma me ba kope. Long time. I really miss you. So mama. When I'm saying I'm adom ho ye pa. I feel I'll get back to you after the program. My friend. I hope this one is okay. Freeman, Mr. Freeman. I don't know if I am wrong, but I see Kodio Ado. Sister Rhoda Amachi, welcome. Greetings, Ejo Super. About your Jumedi, no, yeah, twaso. This episode 3 of Quintio Munsem. By then, we are branching to a different topic altogether. It's about Nkrataa. I am calling my panels. No, amaba dwumadi no so as soon as possible. Ye kasafa Nkrataa. Ebi mu enya amane because of Nkrataa. Ye deport bi mu abefie because of Nkrataa. Ebi mu chese omuntumi mbobra because of Nkrataa. Enti ene no ne ade a ye pese ye kasafa ho. Enti me pa chaw. Na man that screen so no. Obetumi afre sisi a WhatsApp. We know your view and you tell us your story. Yesu nhyira mo. Wait to my friend man. WhatsApp. Me patch and friend direct call. Okay, from Sister Machi from UK. Welcome. Sister Cecilia A. Welcome. Miami Niaba. Welcome. Zegu Janet. Welcome. So me patch up so bad you media no so obey pray. WhatsApp. Ebe pick you. Now also near share testimony and I say nyoma pass it to Rejoice Opoku, welcome. Ya je wo so pa te pa cha wo so a obetumi afre number no WhatsApp. Aja frɛ WhatsApp. Nkrataa endra ye nkomodi na ye hu sɛ ebi mu wɔ sɛbe akwantuo mu ɔmo so ɔmo dɔ ɔmo krataa emma nkɔfo agisika. Ti asɛm ni bra ba ko share ni message on the first day a program no. It was so sad. Oje 300 euros. Na nipa na ode nkrataa no ama no beka che ose nkrataa no 100 euros. Ono so ode nkrataa no ma wo no eno so 100 euros. Inti 100 euros na aka ma wo no. Isa se unte aduane. On rete dan. Won tese enipa bitimi adin. Nipa bitimi adin. And araho sam kra ne say uye adwuma na ne etuego ono account mu. enye wo account mu ye twegu ono no account because papers no ayo no ne din e it's very sad ye nua no before ye trim ye den pa ojeba gift welcome back ye trim ye den kasa ye trim ye den ye trim mo den pa enti let me see. I think I've gotten a message from Mami Anita and Papa. Oh, okay. Okay. Me pacho me ba be from musisi ya na ye de nkoma na hihye so. Obi bia so a na ye beba so no okay. I am calling Papa. Very very wicked pa. Hello.
Yeah, we just walk promo.
Oh, okay, no problem. And pacho obeto mute and so obeto you off. Papa welcome.
Yeah, but mute me why.
No problem. Papa welcome.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Mami
Yes,
Anita.
sir.
Papa,
Welcome.
thank you very much.
Ebaja promo.
Yami adom na nso e. Oh God.
Me pa cham so bi tie free background mo ho nti on low ne background my misro.
Papa, you okay?
Yeah, I'm okay now. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Okay. And the topic of the dream is strange and a serious triggering topic about Abrokyire Nkrataa. This week, Nyame do mama I'm say a treaty topic acquaintance 1 2 part 3. And then you say movie called different dimension. And I work as no and I mean topic we free mu. And when you say you no mu bi etu kwan omode nkofo aye slave. Onu ase uye adwuma because ono de Nkrataa den amount. And then me when say e ma me ne papa omo ba acquaintance ma chenti. They can tell us and talk to people. Ombaka nkofo feelings. Ombaka the nkofo e de pass it through. E de akere. Nti Yesu nhyira mo. Me jai de mamo.
It's here for yechiachiam ewo Yesu din mu.
Amen.
Amen.
Enim so bia so ho ye. Papa kwaba.
Fine. Yeah, obi ade. Yes, no.
No.
That's right.
No.
Okay. Yeah, any cause way.
But I say.
Okay. Yeah, mumpire first. Okay, any kind of mumpire. Everybody that was see. Oh, sakonya odi ama ye say. Yen kasa na meaning say we mun kof me benya disua. Ebenya nyansa. Na afi enwadwen sachira efrimu. Na yade Yesu abo bra. Esanse di bi awie no yobon enyansa na ma ye song of learn it. The nsi betimi aka bi na ye nkranhye. O Yesu de na mbompa ye amen.
Amen. So medin kai so papa to mama.
Mama cause we that's right.
Ai akwantuamu Nkrataa. Nyoma bebre. Yemu dodo na efri yenkrom eba obi man so no. Na Nkrataa. Yemu dodo na sumpo na yenim na se yebenya bi. Ba Yesu adom. We bie kwan ema yenso yetumi ka bi. Eno ntimi kofa no in so many angles. Ekwan ankrofo fa so nya Nkrataa. Baako media ye meme version. Se se EKOW ya metimui. Omomra no eye den pa. Ansa na wo benya Nkrataa no. Titru so ye hustler. na wabrɛ mu yie. Ebi join uniform work. Mempɛ sɛ mɛbɔ uniform work ni din bros what you ase. Aha. Na ọmọ akọyẹ sacrifice. Oko join uniform worker obviously field okra ye de obeto so no. E was so okoko serve e wo ho. Ebi tumi kɔ front line. Minimum say front line no ye de wo kɔ on a battlefield that just okɔ akokum nkrɔfo. Ana wo kokon. Eno nti obɛko definitely utu abuba na ebi bɛkɔ akɔka wo opponent. The besi wo ho de ye nim. But then kwan ya obɛfa so obenya wo nkrataa no ba ko no. That just why a sacrifice bio. Other means no so ne say enka no ne esi anka oye oba na wo a e wo kromu ha say a mfie jama mienu oso obenya nkrata
yama nkofo mu sisi anase obapose ana obekasa obi atestem so opeso obaso
yama na
so what kasa we ba mu an because we ni entino
me fro why also attesting okay
mama unsa nti ya kasa no we ba mu an na eno kwa na betimi ma
Hello
madam.
Yes. Yes, I do more now so
Yes, I do so here pa.
And I so I say. I say more can be fan Nkrataa so. Say ya in Nkrataa yes na Nkrataa sem ne de asempa na makofa ba yi. Enya yegu ha sei na yenya bi nyame aya ya doma me yenya bi ya fem papa me sei die me uncle po ena ode me baaye me maame ne ma me abema enti na I think say me nti ye free fie nti nkaboni bi enim yedi me bedru ya sti nti ya 20,000 pounds. I mean, so me who 20,000 ni be crada. Until I was thinking, say, 20,000 leaflets, the 20-pound leaflet back home. And that was what I was thinking. Pacho menkoso. Inti eba ni sana chese ye ni abusuafo. Mama lowa me die na ase no so kra mama.
Pacho kasa.
Eba ni sana chese ese me ye adwuma na ne me dia pe sika tia de esimintia enti ofrefre me uncle bi ne mo free America ebetena ase ingina pastor ba ko no obehia me kwan wo airport no betem that was the 3 people make a phone 18 years esimintia 20,000 pounds that was 2009.
Wow.
Enti me so menim say a leaflet na 20 pounds and na me hu. Enti me say oh yeah, I can pay. Obi ara hwe me. You me say yeah. Uncle I can. Enti na ne ye din Nkrataa ba yo nyina chiro ye say me see me to 20,000 pounds. I was happy. I don't know the money. Me to be cry baby.
Na chere say unnim sika nim no.
Me nim no. Me nim kra.
ɛna me mapene so ne asofo ya sign ɛna me uncle no obefa me bae no so assign ɛna new free uncle ba so America no so betena se me assign nipa 3 ntimi na me sign ase say I'll pay it ɛna eja me sign ye ntimi sign ye no me sign me ne den me kwa adwuma me bae no so ne adwuma atena afie agye afie sika yomu obebi om se benefit right into benefit no or the me ba kune ba enti or me dey ba no dey Nkrataa na be ware me enti no ba enti ya ba no yeso enim say ye ni ya ba ya uncle won say the Ghana obi e ne dan ya wo uncle dan utim free so what I say me so I was thinking say my ba me timi uncle fie not knowing say me me not knowing say Abrokyire the antisa o don't think baby no feel different but me di no na me kan na just say enye free sir you need to say obey adwuma na obema uncle no sika say bi agi ana uncle there na me nya me kodi dwa bi mra na you need to give all the money to your uncle no ama apemu ama obi minim sir but so we first pay me koy me atena fie 1 year then me ko job center somewhere ye ko job center ni ko adwuma kona ye ma ko ha unya koranda unya it's God grace now be na mo be so be connecting me fa dwuma bi na me try e kwan be 1 hour 45 minutes and I'm the train na me dey akọ you won't believe me kind of so no crutch no be advice you the man me kwa juma na me sorry be 3 something of this if you kakra tidy up na makọ 5:30 yes me nya me train me nya train dey na is 7 something my juma no start 3:00 on the door it's yes ana me kwa juma na me ba na me kwa juma na me ba me face ya me nya me dru me the papa nti ye ma me sika kakra bi you won't believe say for pay slip and the bag na be church for nya say me starting adwuma se say sika ma nya ni na me de menim yeah enti sabio Ghana no anybody for na omo wo ho mo do so pa they will start following you sika o se ma me na nya ni they will start following the person enti no me yes ana ma mo me show obi frame o se na o de sika wa nya ni and I was thinking say sika na here na beto mu that time no ke beto mu no endu 1000 na endu 800 afi na ma shase enti na ekoba na chese sika no me de ene mi wo maso miensa o Ghana meja o mo ho amna no enti na ese ene mami mo koma nkwala bi ne kura no bi di kosi obi su na kosi obi su kakra sa enti mani ba me ho so na chese me uncle no se
afa kire se
kwenyes na wo ba ba mane me ba ye no nti no de me ko krom se de ko kire me krom na alligator me fro bi da enti me wu ya na in fact se ne ya ko no me ya mo hye me ena enunti mountimi amfrunti me anka na ntofo amame enye sa agro na odie wa ntofo amame oba tan
wow
nyame adom ahomachi mi ko train station na me nya phone wo from train station ni from wo ena me yi chip ni from ko pay chip free mo start here me yes me ye na onipa na lock na me de komo obi yembie ni ebie ebi ansa na me di yi shema ansa na mitimi ne me ma kasa na ma betena krom me konya afi na me ni phone me de me ma be kasa say me okay but me papa de no nim say me okay ni abafa mu no me anka no ni aduane si ho a ondi ofa me koye de o se de opa biaye wo be ye nnuane different type so oni no kwa adwuma na ahomachi na wo beba na ono no oye 2 hours 4 hours 2 hours wa 3 hours wa that kind of job and oye no kwa no ba obesa akobio mo obafie no okosa enti ni last one no okoba 11 o'clock na obedu dana no obie ni no rem that time na bia fe na me sokra me di na chi de bia ye hia on na di kan na me di akire nti I don't want to miss my train me missing the day na me ba bedu fie 12 o'clock nti eba saa onu rem a edu ba bia o rem a na wa ode yi fe na yellow kana no de atum nti me fast me key mi enkomu me nyanche yo me ma me nua be ma one father one yes ne edu baby no this man can crawl we can crawl yenim kra no oh yes na ebia me da ho a me hu so badem ho
James Bond
na me twi me mu kakra Mirika no de ko I don't know. I can't even know up to now. Obi bisami amintimi ntrase ene nyina. Mani afia meto fifie ono kra ne. Mintimi ntrase. Enye se me yakwala se me wo 50 years. Me bae 10 years ni. But 2019 fa ne se 10 years ni. Inti eba ne sa na odwane ko no. Bibisa me won say enye ma me kon kanche osofo yi say bia there is something wrong with my ankle. I mean him. Nebia yen kasanche na sata mo ba mi demo na da no so me kabom Abrokyire dan yen ntomu bebre wa yen ntomu ye kabom anu anu ada intina nie me nko na me nko kanche me anka no say ofa ya oba demo oba de mi timi nko na ni mo nipa ne ye o kan intino mi koko kache osofo no to kokache ni say safo asi yen kanche o say yen bisa o say anya bia ne dam na oba ne sare na ofa wa utimi ware wa minim se mu kwafuo de mutimi ware mo a mo nana no mo anase mo ofa
mi hu se bia no pese mo bom pae
enti aba ne sa na osofo ni bisa na ni bufu ye pa osofo ne nim se ene na me ma be report ne se me si o pese me trese obe repu me na nya bia me dan Nkrataa na so se me ye den se me ye oyire me ye oyire won Nkrataa sem so but we ye me maame nchon we ye me maame nua bema right e wo mo se tabi o fort me ware bi mu timi ware mo fasene but I'm not that type wait me aba ba ye me sa enu akire no oba time ya ma fi the snow mi won snow ni bi da o mi ka puno na chi na mi gina snow ni
wow
I want dia tie go me so eneja me frost of on se me ka puno chi on fra me ofa se me ba mi wa puno chi ni ade o se me ofa ni mpa se mi gina puno chi so ma me
adwembo ne pe
no so for okay me ba be fa wa ko me fi ene be fa me ko e me hu nkane me ade achi okay anopa de o continue that day na I was off ade achi I was off nti ene me mebie po na medware na meye de meye be ye obai odi na ni to odi be hwe wo no me ni America na ade be dwane akọ enuane so me ya me ntra fie kaya mi soli an mi koti say yi mi kosa enuane be tinya hye fridge mon touch de dwane na be say no asan hwe gu bolem mi sungu mi yam santi mi uncle na obai ya me timi shop bu mu na odi Nkrataa ni begu mi so se onua no se o mo nkonti ene opa ji na koye na bra no minim so de abra me odoso na afa de mi bai ya ni o mu fi Abrokyire ne ba na se o mu beto wo Ghana ho a didi obaji bia na oni o mu ba dia ene wa beto pinga o mu do wura mu dia obeto pe nyame anka ho a obedu obeye bone pa me kachiro Entino to God be the glory. Me trust am me nwe bi so me to God be the glory no. Me fire no obi timi frame me Abrokyire say kono no do ba e uda no so ko police station ko ewra say ope baabi ada o mu be ma o baabi na ono anka say obe hu ye be ba bechi no. Ukọ kasa wa ye o say kokọ ye ho basa na ko. Enkrofo ka de bia be me hwa de no so a oye me pa me nua be ma. Ti se de me ne odowo ye ntam sa ne de me koka ye den wo de ma me fa me kwase ankope baabi ntina na me ko ye kakra na me ko gi baabi na me tena one room Me to endi 1 year na ma manage no be tonton Nkrataa se me bi na makoto bi dia ma mechire ba se me ko ase de be ya me su a mechire ba ne me be sunti me koto bi na me ye ya mechire ba ne tim ba bi odwene ne ho Ghana ho na me ye na mechire ba ne nya 5 good years see e fan command no mbra me ne kasa na mechire ba na be ka me ho wa ha se de me nya 2 years na me ye se adwuma no Minyane bae no ni minyana e one team mapa se ewiase se ho kyirewa wonim se wonim wadamfo papa bi obemboa ma osika na bribi enti ni mini obi ade a mefa minyane mra me de minyane brae e bae no so from one pint to fire woni na ye ho mo yimi ama therefore me 5 years na be wu
Wow.
minya boni bia o ma fre akuku damfo mpanifo mu ayemfo mama wa pa me ofa chew se ma ye ni boni bia on kana me mpa ne chew Osi India no ani se onye mame nyame a me feel se oye mame no nko kanche sa nyame na no nsa nye mame ehwa pa de me bufu bi ba me mu mame kasa me se me de me sabo table to ne dem anam se ofa nyame ode me ba ye no se ne o kan ye no no a ba ya mame na ni obi kotna ye aye met ye bibi tu na woni sika dia ukotna obe dem obedi u free because utene dem ono so ala ha de onya no obedi u free into ya shem kakra na me betti mpaibo bi na me de me ho join ye me de me ho join mpaibo no erade papa to say one day nyame you refuse me say ya appeal ni refuse me who say ya oti say you refuse me because etina if na me tin ya share house into obaako ye nadamfo into oti say me so no bi bisa ne say na o say ani you refuse no e no scobo na wane say nti how dare you so be share me uncle no what town or be you did hey nya wo fa say me fiamfa me wo ya me say de o ya me dede na o ya me ne say me Nkrataa nti no be ya ma kutia be cheme Oshiamu wa town center o.
Padomu.
Ni padomu na wa yemi keke na nemrika bia me de befa baabi akono. Ano de tete me santi. Mi hu ni sunsum na ofie ba no bi ka chem se mi hia o mi hwu hu ofa wa ha na me se o ya ma pe baabi different afa. Mi nim baabi a. Brono no ye di mi abesi suna na minim. Na me pese meti obi advisor. Ebe say me ne me uncle na some tempting imagine. And paiba na me to buy in wo outside. Probably the walking and I me fee so and I me buy inside London. Me buy inside London no na me hwehwe adwuma bi na me nyai. Me nyai adwuma ni nyina na adwuma no kra letter na e dey fi ho mo fesa abre me na call court no so nyame ncha de e ko lawyer ne say ukru o me say o ukru ma me say na me say me di ba me wo ba kra so ha o de me ba no akola no so kra no ya akola bo no de akola ne ko ka na o na me say Nkrataa same ma me ko fa akola ne mra na ye say wo di akola ne ka ho antam ne de ama me di akola ne ba e kra ne so kra be hwie kuye kra so ba ya akola bo ni se mama onu so ya gina free me nsem
Oba na be ma
oba
na so be say mo
hwie Brad ya mafamu no bisamanfo sa ye je akwala fa wo efri unsem ane wo befamu no enye se wo kwa adwuma abo 1-2 years frɛ wo ha 1-2 ye do kokoto 1-2 ye de letter bro wo ha bisi ma adwuna ye he me ma na egu Ghana no kra me nya nhwe wo mo dem asem abira ho papa mo ya dia the once na me hu da meka asem me papa be free mu ayaya 2 years ago enti no ni mi nua no mo di o munim se mi Nkrataa to God be the glory na ye Nkrataa ya breme ye di breme indefinite ye di breme no so no and within 6 months na me nya adwuma papa na me se da me ko na me ko share me mai na me saba me ba ye no ana me papa started soyare inti ye be kwa ye no owuye inti ye be kwa ye nto munim se mi Nkrataa inti oni me wa fu na eko na eko shia wa airport me hu se me ho na me shia osofo na obefa me ba ye no 2000 na obefa me no na ye shia no airport one no bisa say na osofo na wo kwa na me se o me ko Ghana o ko Ghana Now say I. Hey, sir. Oh, panicky. So funny panicky or panicky. Me won't send you much so a woman. Into one of frame off and rough and to the queue, miss me. Now I'm saying also bad and also say, I ain't the job big pine. Oh, I'm not to from whom our back and I'm so no problem. And then I call aye. And one of me uncle a offer and you only must have fun playing and EKOW. Hey.
I just saw you.
Oh, hey, many of us come in every clock. Hey, no,
I knew
it.
it.
Over to play movie and an idea you play. You see, me tea and not when you put with Jamie. Or see, road, I don't know who's soon. And I'm say, Debbie, I saw my Martin. I see, Papa be original, said you're training near them, so your uncle now. And I'm say, no problem, each many, me hope seen a cosono. Yami or demi buy, no one or dear mammy, no asun or demi call.
Wow.
It's your do ye, and Miss Minnie Bapenny as I'm coye, and Mr. Me uncle to meet you, be I, no, a pram at them, or what you are the next person.
Anyone I can.
And no children, I'm a friend, Periphone, I'm catch on say. Mimi me offer near Simbia, name one never found me quiet. I didn't pay a banny more before me quiet, and so I didn't pan and I'm dead than as to say. Ninny papa be where quiet me fast to say them. I thank God say, mention a sibio, me kita me red book, mention a sibio. Me denya me as the papa, name more no. Oh, man, and tears, yes, I mean, anybody be obedient, Ebusian, phone in Fifi, can or ye say, no, ye say, Namisima Kumaba. I guess I come be a simi so intimate, and I said, I'm catching say. Oh, my damn, mamma can't send back up, and can't send back up. Oh, the other ones are some no cano, a yano cre, and I yano cre. And that, but if I say, Amma, was she a guso? Nanso so ekwa bedan tokro no ama wa yeden watimi afemu api enti jano ma no anka o to na asema ne nto omo mbeto no omo ta awie hyomba nwa mo di ko hu fie enti se ne ade aye wo ha kakre kura no bi ehu se there is something there on kan ye e no no ka ne obeka nyefe o menua me kofa ne ba o se me de be kofa obi aba enti we unua we no akofa na aba Obun somewhere no akofana ba nso sa obun sam na no ana na ye ba they say I shock you they don't know hunye mi kita
eventually
ana me pese me mom hunye nyame ayenti major no congratulate me na me dey to WhatsApp me say omo America frame me hey bro ye dey nyame asio na wa when so frame ya hey na we na me se hwe omo ayen beto nkrom na omo wo nkrataa ne kra bebre wu krataa ne nam he enya hwe only say e ka ho na wo de kọ na wo de ba wo bebre wu ja ho so no enso ade ba kwa wo befa bibi kitwa bi so enya wo nwia betai de wo krom ho wo betai to wo ba bi a wo nti wo hwe enye yi se bebi ametem omo bi anim bebi amete no mo tin se me kita kokko ni de me so me anka ni timi ko no aka chem papa se ansa no papa be bu no okọ the last breath no gina me papa so ka chem papa se oba na wa ba na me oba ye fi ahomache na me so ma komina fofo ho nti wa na meto me nti oba ye na obeka chem papa se oba no okọ a me ma ya sign wo kwam
jonim se oni paper oh
yes so oba na ba na okọ baka me ma ya sign wo kwam and I'm catching papa said da unim baby ade nyame aye no me show bi ase ye ka se manager me akasa me me boss me a boss yes into no onko ka o se e obaka ko ka se ni wo fa ase na obe ware ni ba and I'm say ja no no kro fi Germany na e ba ye de ni be ko Germany ni street inti no mo de munya no mesumi kita aponi aponti munya no mane nkoka na we ye nwia ayebusia ye nko ye nya hwe because etentro bi e kan say atentro to obi ato bese ono so ko soja so medie mu a munya no na be hye ne kansa na be hye me nam papa say oh sana tie say ukita de ukita oh nam say ai dada me de be chiro me ja nam say dada eni hu ankasa fasie na me kwa up and down ji eni fasie o say hallelujah o fa no o ntimi nye o hwe So inti Nkrataa some de ye ka moko ka some pa men adwie numre masumisum mo bri mi krom enya asem kuma na be bia meti obi anim se man me hye matade na me dane na kire a na me pia bra you will never believe Abrokyire ba kwa ma besia na obi anka ho asa wo be kɔ de aba no anka sa wa besere wo ho se se atade ma dane a kire obi anim me na prefer that omi bra na me anka na ka kire be se me kɔ me se me e de akrapa coming baby I'm free be say to be on fa bibi amfa mo ntamo a enko yie ma me pa baby adwuma na me ko bi na ni drive so na Ghana me kakakakra enti obi ya ma me mitimi di ka ne ko eba bibi egu ka ne so bia ye papa enti kotifo di mechi kura na onim se me bia ye papa na mi kita 4x4 na 4x4 na mi kura no mi anka ni se ono office oba Abrokyire fiti Germany be pem ha no bicycle no twi na me makwa aba be twi 4x4 dia eni na me fo se metimi di mi nua no nyina so ekọ me mom invitation ma omo koba omo gu Ghana no ye mom invitation ma omo koba nti o se omo koba dia ma ye me wo chenchire se me na bibia ye den me ye
Madam, ebi super so
it's
basso.
not the best. It does a pa.
Listen, sure.
Yo.
Bye-bye.
It's bye-bye.
Mami, Ani, mo to abaso. Hello. Hello, Mama.
Hello.
Yeah, Mami Ani.
Yeah, Koshwe.
Yati, yeah, Mami ne kan no.
Yeah. And the main person may a spiritual aspect no bebre, but yeah, Mami na bosunti. Make a kebi kakra. Mami, I'll be can was so much for sharing this with us. May the verse be out to her, Matthew 10:36. Onyankopon ena ekache ne suafo no se mo tamfo ewo mumu mo tamfo no otimumu esi da na obetena omu obetumi efiri ufie clear example na ade amaye no obetumi ayewo wofa because onimu nyame bi nti onam ho no ye empty vessel Obronsam no so nam no ope empty vessels sa omunsuro Nyankopon na we yusu omu die di yen ankasa yenni eye yenyo ye busueni na bio eno ti no Nyankopon say we should be vigilant at all cost because wo papa betumi di ayew wo mami betumi di ayew ni titru no so omumu bia ni nyame hon kronkron ana nyame suro ewo omumu nti ade a papa emu wo fade ye ono na asechire na mediama wa he maame enye hwe abayiye mu nkini nyinara eye jealousy eno na ete wo fa ni mu na ye na adwen so say wafa kray I'm not insulting you I'm being honest with you na ye wa adwen say wo de Nkrataa ne kwaware unua ba eba wie a na de ne ba obeba be hye wase. What do you as that particular uncle understand by Nkrataa ware? You see how shallow minded you are. I don't care who you are. Onyankopon wasra yengo ene edete ha se no ti yebeka yenimu yebetwim anim sane ete mimi nsuro because wa mama say to me no osimi ntieti ahonhom biara so wo ne nyanya nkyere odi tumi na amame ti metia so I don't care who you are. It is either you change your mind, you surrender to Christ and go and ask for forgiveness from your knees or be prepared so be we ni mugu asiewu. What den Nkrataa ne kwaware no one kind of crunch re no so bo ba betua £20,000 abro ni be yi oji sa £20,000 no de koye eden o de ko hwe ma to akakraka liposuction for man. Oh, once I went to me for say sika na nya bibia. E na de ye twa nso wom. Asofo na sebe. Omunhia Bible nenti ase. Emfa nyame de emfa nto pepepe no. Because you beba be white 20,000 numu bi e the amount. Wa betena ase di ho adanse. Forgetting so Nyankopon se me endi adanse krumu. Osofo when you megu ase me hu face to face. Make come agin a kire obi a. Mote ha se na moye mo hu mpetekuo. Mo asofo nu bi. Moye mo hu mpetekuo. And mo hihye nantwio sense nwan entire so that we see you and we see say you are a very good person. When you go ase na nkwahye ase emfiri baby a e hye ase fi wa sorry be nim and then the all can. So this Asoriba way has every right to go everywhere to disgrace you because you disgraced yourself. You stood so low and God will judge you. The so-called Osofo. You went in to sign. So you bet you have 20,000 pounds and you are so pleased about it. Nanka mimi hu ye nanka Osofo wo bebo Nyankopon asem no adawa no. Onyankopon ne ye no ebetina wo mu. Na where you should buy paid into ya kata say 20,000 pounds. As at then na ma me no ni mu no. Wo na be friend agina nche no aka chen say, "Ma sorry babe, sika na ye say net here, but you did nothing of that." I can just imagine the kind of suit you were wearing, kakraka. So that your portion will go straight into that packet. And Sunday, you'll be bold enough to go and stand behind a pulpit and preach the message of God. God will kill you one day behind that pulpit.
Yes.
Oh, yeah, it is true.
My sister. I love this lady.
More fire.
Yes,
I'm sweating, seriously. Christopher way. Mama yendao every blessed day. Thessalonians and our First Thessalonians and our Second Thessalonians 5:17. Also, we should pray without ceasing. The reason why until Nyankopon say we should pray without ceasing is so simple. Or your home. Everything that happens physically is orchestrated. And then everything that happens physically, it is orchestrated spiritually. Then it manifests physically. When Yankopon Yahoo, I don't say we should pray without ceasing because only Musanya or Fanet or to send Tonto. I whom be a cobbe to me about the Deepening Nkrataa. Yep. Where you sooner they evil deeds. And I am just picturing this sort of warfare. No, I'm just picturing him. Now when the Abrokyire say, warfare cray, and then me abuna meti, I miss when you move guase, baby I'll say be and when to work for Ghana, add the pictures and your friends say pay slip. How much is 700 pounds or 800 pounds? As at then. Cross man how home point check it. What for chrono na me bisa na sa question no. Enti where to me crew pay slip e dey call Ghana so that people back home will see that this is the amount this woman is earning. Then they will come like bees. No more best thing in it. Oh God, forgive me, my kind waha. Abro. Now, no. Ekosi was saying, sure, we shouldn't be so shallow-minded people, because when we for crowd, we are sad way. Papa, me sanso kaya me phrase. Me say, habai mono, ye grind. A habai mono a betiato. So so ya habai mono, and then now there will be dear kaswa, won't free so that oh boy, you can't hide from God. You can't run away from the evil days when they are coming onto you. You can never run. So who ye no? Because a bedroom maybe no. One kasa wafa since I home na tina umuma one uniaba wafa seba eti me up against her no. Ebeba one kasa also. Na me say what dey no what do to be true from we hia hwe say bon one. Ahonhom a te say mo say no mo nso na mo fere ade mo feri ade mo trisi ye di bibeye mo muchi na twen dia eba wo so no for taking this woman through this situation na we dware wi na wadan na wo tete na wo tete akohwe den ne twe
James Bond Sneaking man
ne twe na wo tete akohwe
Mr. Sneaker
okohwe wi adade na obenye fim ana onyankopon I don't blame you. You don't study the word of God to understand say yesi mojafra bone musio. You don't. So who study word of God na nka obe say ade na ye wedi nkwas yasem one man who kwa ma hu fi abet na omunti won tehwe okohwe na aye den na nyame ampata na okohwe na otehwe na wetiko pipe mu a obeka se wo fase na ye
bofo ahwe na
so akobo ni be yi menimu dadie no minim sa wo hwe me yesu moja na ekata me so there is nothing you can do to me because one man is asked me make sure wenim opa wo hia me abome so abe megina ho na salute you. I don't care who you are aden na mutimu ya den sa aden eye den Abrokyire de ya ne se bia na obewu no kwa ye nsie wo obi man so ye be sanso the word to plane muni afro cargo ya fra cargo na wu ya no wo bewu no wanye preparation bia so wo bewu nti yamfa nko Ghana wo fa sikro ya enchen e na obekọ akọji sika 10,000 pounds ene na asefo ni yamfa ship as a cargo emfa nko to natie mu e wo Ghana wan green saadie we hu because so de won Nkrataa akọye di amani ni nti and the ombeda ho no mbie mu na bu pump your friend is saying there ben emfe gu mu ma no so ahu onyame obetua wo ka wo aketua na eba na eswa wo me nyo I'm being honest to you mu say ya na tete no ma hihye suit akese asofu no mu bi na mo akọte na sorry dem na mu di nyamra nsam se na me se no me hia osofu bi ogina pocket oyesa ade na mo bete mupa mo hu me se me gina mo asori dan echi a mamu bie puno na ma me mba meba ni ti so oguama na meba be hwe enioma ekoso ho me pia me di be pia bonten ho na mo be mebo wudin abo wa sorry direction mebo wa address e dia ko na make sure say me broadcasting mo bia beti abeye honhom na efri he Abrokyire na Abrokyire omo ekro ni yo mo dia no white ne kra ya mo hu omo ewie ye mo hu omo mo bro metumi aka ne categorically say ekro mu has any yet no majority of abrofo no ya yarefo majority no ya yarefo care homes so doors so pa hospitals so doors na bisa say die nti no mo ya yarefo waba betinem waba danu hu leech wo from ho nti ya ny until say we di wo boni awie wo hu wo ma ho kwan ma wa adwen ye keto atesa akola de ye no a yetumi ton se mu mi yetumi mia no wo hu jimi a wo jimi because of Nkrataa ade wu ni mu so wo be wu wo hu me ne wa nka mesonson me ho because onyame atembo no de beba me so na so se me na me yawa amesonson me ho na nti nko akohwa ni me ono ani yemu ma no mo mfa nko wa hu mo nko hwe mo se bia ni no wendi because bia no nko nyankopon ankasa be sifa mu di ndraba be gumu di ekum at that instant so ma ne proye
ya bra be so winner ewo so nti oba ya next Chokasa oba superman wa so atakasa
adenti na moma ye ni etuka ye nsemu yaya wo bi man so sa India fwe patel ne kan fwe ye be ko hospitals no mo na mo wo ho ye doctors no ne na atefo immigration lawyers ne na atefo ye patel ne kan fwe ya ye Ghana fo ne de ye chi nyame ya wa dum na konya Ghana ni lawyer ebi mo beye no weye wa dwen se wenya lawyer ebi mo beye no ebi mo de beye no esen bibia esen obronsan ne de empo then they will come and give you spirit of frustration. Because on Nankasa no claim so a lawyer no on the left no on the right into the nsaka on your man na musion kwa because you see men konkofa obi ade but wakwa kofa nipa no so brunin bia gu so anka mo benam ne ahye mo katita ade na munsun ade kakra sei eye den na ni bra hye twon na onam na utwa concrete to me ntwa because ni bra na hye o ma
running to me.
Ana who say ni bresha wo ma wo dress kra mfata o ana obi anka nkyerɛ and you may first opportunity we so hello news flash mo me ni bretwa mo te say ade bi ayembodi na mo hye ntade na mo twa mo kon we ntumi ntwa ɛya na mfata mo no ayɛ sɛ kwa de bi ensi ahwe no aden ɛde ya na ɛbɛpɛ wo bi man so a ntie ntumi anto say obeka so obi dibi papa obi dibi ye unti oso so dibi obi wa hu e bia na next time we attempt abaye so dibi be ye obi no onyankopon all mouse opportunity onimusa adwen ekura woni nti wotina okemu a from nowhere na accident esi na watete te say nentwinam a ya chopping into cubes a wo hwa ade a wepin ho bone ben eye bone ben eye nkrataa o yetutu fam de nkrofo a eye krom hafo e de omo hye fam omo mfa nkrataa ne nko ebi so krapo de omo opt for cremation ye hye omo ne de omo nsuna good box mu wanfa nkrataa na nko enti unyame ye wadum na onsa ka nkrataa na ya de pa na so mbra mfa so pa emfa ma mamu metete nkrofo makeke mamu medi nkrofo ani ni pemeka se ne magu Ghana ni yiri gu Ghana osi wababa ye nkrataa ware thinking so yes ade no ebe ma na sumu adwono na wo de ho no na obeka se hwe onim afikra na me ba be kire no me crash powers any me leadership na afi na wo ba be kire ni nti no waka kire nsa wo na ade nkrataa ekromi ha wodi ani ni di na da ade eso nti no ombra na sabi ombe bie ni nemu na pompi gum because only na Nkrataa ware. I mean, come on. Why is your head? You, whoever you are doing this act.
Me is here. Why?
Why is your head?
Is here.
What is your head?
Sabi,
you've lost your conscience to the extent we say your dignity no nyankopon dia ma say hold it and cherish it no so you are losing it because within you be there at the Nkrataa so we fie kese mu say mo warinti you are going to steal when so what no ho John 10:10
okay epachom low background wa so winner pachom no background no so winner no boss
we the fact you me back to no school but no one
okay
the tia is for ni ada boy na ya da ma me no so a oye food ti ni dia no ti jano and some kita ma on wa omuntu minka
hello
it to be you food say that the number 2 about say na yenya ya so na yin
hello
papa ya to won kan boss epacha why you month why so we na sorry why you month no ensure mu too much yes ro ubegina ya na obeye audio ba I think it's going to work ti papa ba cho month aso okay obi pacho obi frɛ okay hello boss senior man eja
sister no kasa sisia wa kasa ma ya me de tu
ma message no fire
men dada asamo kan na ya me de sure masam na me kan na no me kan ya the same story Spanish poetry me hard na me dwane aba wo Ghana ni fie chef sebo me afi one na yiri na ewia me na yiri Senegal ni I tell you oh Bema me da me sorry na pes musika ira mi ko busa wan
Amotum dawa.
Now, I'm Jones. Sister, no, they were casa Miami. Sure, because Brody, you can say be here. I'm no crab be here, no, because be here, no, a life story, no, a handbag in the crown, or supermarket, a crown, and say no, the name. So what you say? A crown no deco. On Feniagro, or no, I'm saying no, I dear new crown, or no one at the bay, or no, I say at the no, I need to so who she. Now, if you wow, who you out. Na dia no he was me hu anya se sie na dia kura me na fe o sie wo he I'm telling you something real which is happening to me now as I'm talking to you here in Spain me jina Barcelona and I'm no ka say so what you say oh me say Abrokyire kwantu no de be ma yetu no obi kan Omo ba 70s ni 80s ni no mo ba Abrokyire na free ho no mo kono na 90s no ho no mo no ba na de ye o ma ba Abrokyire bia na ye kwase akwantu ni tu ye me na me dada o me kam kro ne pa na chiro brother 90s na ye ba ye nyina na ye kwase akwantu because sika bi anim o ba no aba be loko so aka ho because de be ba be wi akire ni say uye adwuma no a so ho no yetete o sei uye adwuma bia o gibe 1008 me profession intino mitimi gibe 1008 no 2000 ne ade fine u be gisa scan no u gisa scan no anu bia ukotua dan ka be 600 700 aduane ka de enye den a kire so 200 me banku ni intino Diane Kano de ya na nchire so menim restaurant ko.
What are cabin kwasem pa me sure say your favorite.
Yeah. Oh yeah, me papa ex-military man. Otiti me ni banku. So no. Entina chire so 200 nka banku e do be call the whole month. Fine. Sika kakra no apa to ho say o de be plan bi no. Actually, so 1 week. Ube who answer ya the letter be a bro say, oh, fan be or ha kokotuya. So, what warrior, me was I experience in it because my warrior pen, yeah, warrior. So, what warrior over banana or you know, Wakobo cano was supermarket, ya biguho. Wakoko to Tade and Tade, a biguho, way. But one say, oh, near chinine free.
I'm free.
Cardinum. Fine. Ni na nkoda nchen se akoba ne se wonko aso na bi a wote atesesesi amani abre se me nkowa bi omi nkofo ba bi abi omi nko ametena no a omo ankasa no so san fa ho plan majuma ya driving ni nya adwuma bi a okrom have deep than driving for 24 years ni fine omo ane local police ne ye frɛ baako bi guardia civil ti me hyehyɛ ho What the car trail mukeke no, near throw number plate no why yes camera near the letter bro. Who could to 700 fan. 1 to ya within 2 weeks. Oh yeah.
That's coming.
1 to ya within 2 weeks. Na month betoswa 700 no na akwa kodane Bia 1,002. Another month no na see about more into any baba so within 3-4 months no na 700 near the abrel no na koda no be 3,000 4,000 into bibia no ye adwuma di tuaka so what is here I'm telling you something real I'm living in it now as I'm talking to you brother so what is here te said na me kase me bra ya asem ya ma me no kofa ba ya depai mi krom ni Ghana ni onu free ahemfie ye frɛ no ya wafrɛ ni din de baba Alasan ya wafrɛ ofikmase Me come any brisam. Ofri Kumasi ahimfie pa ya afre. So ahuno. Fine. Na me abrofu itata me san warija yenti. Ye time ni okrum. Nti metukura firi me fie se me ba besuo na bia wo fie na masom bedwome. Rema. Meda me sori no. Na kakra wo person no 200 300 na bia ka 50 euro pe no. Beginning na me hu ye ade ne tie na mdi mani to form kakra. Afi me hwam se Baba me said ye kosuni o osi ho. Ade na okay fie ha de hwan na beti. She say one ne yire ne ba no o ware siniga ni ba. I tell you brother. Omo no mudi mabro. Omo no mudi mabro. So ahuno. Na we no koya na obai. Abrokyire kwantuo no de ensem ne bi wo ho no mo abema last bi na nka me no me ye voice message bi say mebo modin a kyerɛkyerɛ mu ma ware mu sem because ware heres ni ba bi ensem
we be hihye e be peda ba ko ni aye ya na me post
very good me show ni pa oni pa wo oba wo kyerɛ sɛ wo pɛ me e copy mi wiase nyinara me si yo me so me pɛ ma ware me ye bribia ma me uni adwuma me am na ma me pɛ adwuma ma na me kya akokɔ nam akokɔ distributor and the mitimi ye 2 trips enya asem kutuwa o hwɛ 12 pallet a wo de ayi truck a distributing restaurant and hotels me say ye second trip of another maybe 6 or 8 pallet a day say they menya extra hours matimi solve me problems of here so hono ni nyina achi no ankosi aga oba me behu ye say me no te me yefunu na ehye oh meko hospital ya yes me virus our me stomach virus in the stomach okay you be admit to na fi admit to psychiatric hospital
say why didn't mo na e kan oba
very good here you are assembly ni obi a tiene virus in tu estómago perdona sorry mi cas Spanish ni na fra obi a virus in your stomach na fedi do go to psychiatric hospital
boy
enye normal
no
right yanko pombe chire ni tumi no atimi afiri sasem we mu na ofiri mu wie a na afọ masen asoma nkrofo bi di wachi wonam se wo park truck no na wo kwa ko serve obi a se truck no park ya ma metotototo puno mu because 5 minutes we load na akọ no se obesan no asan so discard de be ma ajo sika aboso na odimirika be fro na okọ no msoso afa chire nya ni e de brebia begu akonya no so steering no wo ba se wo di onim hwe eno ansa wo de wo truck aba wheel a friend say no wheel barrows ye kan say no wo de aba betu akire no aloko no akwa hwiri atenam tutu na wo kwa fe wo kwa na fe wo to hyew now I'm telling you from my real experience in so obi na say so what you say Masa nsem bebre mintimi nkana na ju sema kiro se membi
me no program na fro
on the other me kura 2 phones so no me share program on the other phone timi ha me tie ma me na sam sia mami wa bre olende hono no fe
no fire
yeah tunfo no but o share Pakistani phone Colombia phone ni Equatoria phone they try to help themselves
they wicked
they yankwa Ghana phone de ba bedu krom hanu ani subaya sesa ni subaya sesa eno na mentia se ye be you say ye dien pema me say me back room hanu 98 to sedende was my second time the ba Me buy me wura ape me saka Nkrataa ape. Me say 99, which was the second year na me year me truck driving license no. This is a Jumana contract and binya no. We benya opportunity to go foreign affairs.
Me ba 2 minutes. I count 2 minutes. But after no me no be pay. Ocha be free me no be sa program no na. Waka story na actually. Why?
Yeah. Me say me benya opportunity be say me seriously Nkrataa Nkrataa. Omo mbeba omuni Nkrataa. Oba ya na mdo ko foreign affairs. The same day. Me say alatafo Senegal, Nigeria, Hwanyun, Odiebra. Me bua manfo bebre over thousands of people. Nigeria ni bi me didn't better me fear for some weeks. So be steady who trek no. Afi no or the fa ho agiska or gi amanfo 2,000 no 3,000. In a young Nkrataa amount. Me na make amechiro.
Ja, odi ya makwa no bi mraso. Acha mama fro. Acha mama fro. My friend, I program no why?
Europe you four mother. Yo, good evening. Bye.
I some pa say.
I Anita bra.
Yeah. Obi man so a phone pa, and it is true. It is a fact. What kind of crano? Imagine so di me fuana so because I phone near me crony ya phone say tradition na wahano. Emrano a tradition. Nkrofo a hihye emrano omo bebre na ewuwu ko. Ene yanso yaba ne yaba betom. Ena ye di so. Anu nti sebe. Me papa bi o hye tokro bi mu wo Ghana. Onyame ahu ne mobo. Eyi na free tokro no makukuru no straight eto obi man so. Nkakra wan go through hustle na enema ne na emema elkomuni bi. Na wenya Nkrataa because say wan go through hustle and tussle na nkrofo go through niti no. I feel so your ga na leadership ni bewie a na wa ma ne ho kwan na obronsa na tiri ba no aba betina ni mu no odi nsemfo oyo oba na obetwem obachi wedi no aka trust obema Nkrataa wa anya ne sa odi udi beto so say ono na wo ho ware nti yanya Nkrataa ma ye Nkrataa ma ware nsamfo na wo mu na anu ni o odi ni sika obetwa board amount wasam weni mu fifire na wetwia wotia wi a waka trust ye ndi na da Nkrataa ni so nti bra na memfa na wa wo bossa bra we eyema wo se won kwasi asem na wudi ni nti wo yire papa no Nyankopon a prepare ne de na ma no waba nso wa ehu no nkola papa no Nyankopon de omo ma no omo abanso wa ehu because of abro ni beye mi hu kala kra me fan describe beye na ati wu mu no enti no wo hu na wonnam de bia na won ko ade papa let me tell you something ejuma ye sin ehu aketua na ketua na ye bone ejuma papa ehu aketua na ketua no eye nkunimudie eti se wada ne hu pure wizard ana obet na obi flat mu ana obedi nkwase asem a me say mi manimu wade ne so yesu moja na kata me ho wa ma mi tumi o se me ntiatia wo ne anyanya nkyere so Luke chapter 10 verse 19
abisoja na kasa no
ehọ na sa asem ne ewo eno na me de nam you can't do anything and then me bo wutuja
more fire
me share wo baby aso me bo wutuja especially when I sense that serious jealousy spirit in you. I don't care who you are. Me mfa so your hini wo baby o. Me mfa so your bi papa wo baby o. That evil deed now wo dia wo de ba e de ba be say nkrofo no wo boa. Wo boa me ni man na da ho no san so hwe. Mishia wo baby na me hu saa de na I won't spare you. And ye be for we we fi kasi na ye be for we wo.
Na call be what you say Bible students no more friends me lecture mo kakra. Bible students no.
Oh no problem. No problem.
Oh Marie.
Okay.
Marie.
Mama okay.
What da mo inkwakuo ne intafre ane nwowo ana esisi mumu ana mo de hihye mu flat mu ana mo di boni akese na wunti obi be free baby aba na obe pen Nkrataa ye adwuma papa na wudi nsihu akakra ka on TV da wona brabo mu and it is because you turn yourself into a spirit of frustration,
British
spirit of depression. Hey, now you do for to care home. Wow, when you be so care home, hono nyankopon be ma kwan mu boye ni bi beba. I say I cause all things to happen. Let me look for that verse and read it. And then I said that for your Bible study so that I'll get the verse to bring out.
Wow.
I say I cause all things to happen.
Romans 8:28. I'm sure.
My try again, mana abua famini so. There was another verse. Make sure me the better comment section.
I know that God works all things together for good.
There be 28 ne there so no.
Okay.
I know there for specific baby, but when I say I cause all things, I make all things happen.
Sorry, na.
Yes, I was.
Yeah, welcome, boss.
Oh, Yami shop na network no mi wo trip mo panche minti.
No problem, boss.
Auntie said you na make no ye da inu aba na sin ye da ye brother no so kasa Africa so na no so ase. Na kakra me de ka ho na ye matwa ni tia nyina ni se e ba ne Nkrataa asem e fa akwantuo ho ya sitina mu wa Abrokyire mu ha no mo dia aya na edin pankankan ne ye ne a ebusuafo na de ye ba no.
Boy.
Dia me so wan kasampu na wo a wo ho se wutu kwan ni dia eno dia wuni obi ani ana se wuni akonta bi ekogbu ama obi. So obi na to ba net dia aya na no odin. Me say dia from minim no me ka se ma konta eni mi sister na be fa me. Nti mi ba bedru ye no na ja esan se me de na me wo fie me ye adwuma me fa se minim hawa Nkrataa asem ni nyoma esitie nti mi bisa wo mu se anyam bia wo mu be fa me no me ka ye sen no mu ma mi hu ansa na bibia wo ho no mu ayaka ti mi kan no beginning no mu mpo mu tinyi na twen na ye kakra na nyan start ye adwuma na msidabi mo de mu ma mi hu no me ka because mi hu me ka ye se wo start group so ntem a na wo timi ye de itwa nti mu ma mi hu no me ka no and I'm catching me say okay. Said the Macano and money I do muntimi any day. And fam mammy see and you mono so back on Marco said the Marco come with trouble na or Marty TBA from the Biaka on Nadio Mobile and Nadison.
Anyway,
Mema will move and one Sunday be after church no more flat nasi. It's nasi no more day to my name say. Can you muntimi njini nyina eti yo mu betimi di atuma anima mfa nse ye sikatene ono se okobo obi bo scientist obo din se sikatene a meji free nipa sumasi ho e dey so media ne so bo a wono ye e 7,000 euro 7,000 euro enti eno ni e ka mfa ni se ubetimi atwa ma yen na yeso ye de akoto ba bia ye fa aja obi ba sie ba kofo akohunu odansini ni wan timi tichum
me ya na quick 7,000 for Ghana sikemu a I almost
that was 2,000
I 420 million 424 million.
That was that was 2016 no and I may buy
okay 2016
that time yeah you client fund is 400 and said the whole cano mi gusua ni omo kan esti say okay my dear to meet you as cano na fi aka ngoma me di be ye adwuma eye Nkrataa no Enti omu ankasa hwehwe obi wɔ Italy omu no no mu Italy no mba Germany nti omu hwehwe obi wɔ Italy na nipa ne se wɔ UK sisi ɛna omu pa ne kyɛw sɛ omu nua ne omu akonta bi abanti ɔsere omu a ɔmɛboa no ɛna abranteɛ yi baeɛ na abranteɛ ne baeɛ so lucky minka ne sɛ nyame ade ɔbɛyɛ ɔbaeɛ na okuta medin okuta din kwaku nti no ɛma so easy omu frɛ me adwuma mu a metumi nya you say many year flame no. Sometimes I know clan put me you will be free on because the board dinner him say you would in here fla it means suspect you say woman and yaudia. Eti a blanty our dinner my better to affirm no sign mammy 2 hours and no catch him says me dimi hunia in young watchina a year 8 hours now baba sign mammy. To a cancer and about flesh media minimum said the term now kind as yet say would you honey. Enti omu dikumanim sɛ enwoma no omu bɛti 250 enwoma wura ne sika no 250 ɛyɛ 250 euro ɛna ɛdan no nso so a mekɔtena mu no ɛyɛ makonta dan bet wontimi ntena mu free enti ɛno nso so 250 baabi a enwoma ne da no yɛfrɛ na amedon ɛno nso so 50 euro enti mimfa ne sɛ sika ne bɛka me nsa 550 year a bit free and meji tum nam bi so say na sika no 2 hours no hu sika yesen no mu si o e defendi ba bi a mekwa akoye adwuma na e bi won ma utimi 2 hours no kra no adwuma ba ye na timi pro 2 hours no enti no de ma me mane ha me brother say kai baba for the first month na ba ya ba 635 euros 2 hours ni hu sika no 635 euro
2 hours
enti 2 hours no yeah then time 2016 no about 635 euro na sika ne ba no na bank card ni bibia de wo mu ho because someone say me de minim hwe even ka metime use bank card because me wo Ghana no me wo EKOW bank account me wo account am use me am bank card am di me e pin code ni nema bet omu di hu to me so an na we unim na say o di ko shem na ye bibia e be bra alarm ama police abai family hu say ya wodi a ensem be bro impeka sent na me handi over ma omu say omu de e ba omu ankasa nkoyi na omu meyi titi di omu beti no na midi no omu mfama me ana me jai card no ma o enti na mi sister so ne ba panyini ba akon mbanza ne ba eye panyina ono no otekasa ni ote dutch no nti ono na ayet say bibini a odi animo no akogire mu ni ade na me kokko start here adwuma nti me first payment ba ye 635 no o mate 250 for Nkrataa ura no de aja obi ba sie mate ase
constant
na dan no so omati 250 because mint na dan no mu so free na Nkrataa ura no no ba bi dan no so 50 and so omati brother says kanasa mintwa ticket for the month no
Akman
ticket no so was say mitwa 60 euro enti skano ban say mitwa bibia omotiti bibia wie no na akoka mensem 10 euro men for next month.
Bro.
Ha me say adentina nka ene ne munim say no na ka da mani mo ma me purchase hall he ya say de me buy ma purchase for 4 months na wo de nka me twia mo ka no mu ha kwansa na me mu kukura akọ akonta dan ma kutia sa dan ni sika na but asema my sister kan ni say ai ma konta na kada ne so di say wono na etwetwa bills nketenkete ewo baby tinsem bebre ntimi ma ba na yesa me beboa ma yakoka nti mimi mfata ne dan sika na eso anka wo betie free na account mu akotua no mimi momentua sa aka no se de be ya ne ho be hare no in fact me jitumu amememfi so bet na nya akomam ena me disita ho no mu kakran na me hwe se de enioma ekọ no na me bisa me sister senti 2 hours ya se ya na ebe kọ no na And you say we did the mint me in your BBL. My wife on Suofie. Maybe I'm sorry to say, now my wife on swap through. Now, in fancy, I can't know about. And to me, but bedroom, in the hospital, send me BBLs, because she can't win a media. And at time of son say, or call labor. Na ye frame me say, Umuhiska. Hey, if I am me former boss, and I'm one in 10 world, Temanzana me free, me too quino. Me friend, and I'm say, boss, but you ubit me in your scar, 1,000 cities, amame. No, say, who the other name say, my wife or hospital be to say once anymore. Me bo hospital, you know, say, oh, obey you be a manabanam or say, I. No, so okay, near many panamla, no many panoco, no demand, no dicutia sabi. Eti, a bass, I know nothing, no, who say, I say, many sketches says, can a prune and send me my moon who can be fast to Tia Sabi, no, Tiano so. Are you mad when you say, ah, they scan the boss no trio gummin, someone answer denti, and also some baby. Eti. Me try the short no. Eba say afraid dem aba benya 8 hours. Enti ye was a boy ne ba be sign mame. Na me to aso ye adwuma. Ye frɛ boy ya boy isi wo ma. Ye beka boy isi wo ma. Enti ye na me nwoma ne da ne fie no. EKOW UK ho. Ɛna okobisa say na unua ada na unua nya adwuma 8 na be sign man nya 10 ne bia wo su wo mai. No wasi 2 nu krampo no ye no. Me hunu sika. Oh. Media me yeska. Me see mama me but me friend me mama say since I started adwuma no sika bia mbai. Oh. Hey. Eneja asem ne twentwene me bo. Me nkwa na mate. Nti one day bi na me bisa afedi epusu na me bisa konta na den na koso akwakum pese obeba be sign ade ibe mu. Han boy no ja no we you two no. Che. We you two no. O free said then wa faade no untimi mbakra makase wo de ye no your friend say DHL me abeba be kwa akwachi enwoma no na maba be ye bibia wo mfa ma mpese ode beba free said then nyame be ye obi ade ama no nti afi wo keka nsem na afi mi hunu say ase fort no nso mfiri akonta nti sise himfa na fort no free na we na me ankasa me ye na me say okay na mpacha o metimi anya ni number na ma frɛ no na maka kyerɛ ni sɛ mesrɛ na wo me sign mame na moame wo ɛhɔnom na akonta bɛka kyerɛ m saa den wo free sɛ maka bibi akyerɛ na ana sɛ wo ni na di bo bia na nam si wo kunu mi ni number bra na mi bisa hɔnom no nti we de srɛ na mesrɛ sɛ bia manka ni ya fa kyɛ me na me kunu mi ni number mpo na gya me ka kyɛw we na mine na oko UK ni by no was unia wakuni si since I was start here adwuma no kaple kra momfa mole no nam si o mo so so tio ani ne bese no ntina mi kobisa kwa ku number akuntabu ofisa ada mi free said den na den ti ani ne na sa na ekọ no wose ani ne na tu hofo ti waka tu hofo na eja ye ma dwen se ni eti sade a e wose mi nugu e free honom ekohwehwe baabi foforo na me di miti bobom afi mi konya adwuma wa ha na mbeka kire mu se mpa cho menya adwuma we mpese mi koma Abrokyire de yentra ni sa waba no tena faako echinchine ni na mfusem na mso we nye na mfusem obi na link mi tu adwuma we enti misra mo ma me kwan na me nkoye ebi wono ma me ntimi nya no baabi a me wo na different me mpese me bo baabi a na me wo because amanfo nim no enti e ba sa no na me ka kire ni se okay se sa dia dia for the last time I maybe some to say na adwuma ne enko said ya me pe no na mintimi enye sika ni bi kura ma ne me wife no mesre say mo de eba edan ne de minim say ja mo si ye konkanti dan no ye betua ba ya mo nsusuti biblebe sa be ko ba sa mintimi nya sika nya dan en twafa katkula na afensu minya bi kura na me de didwa ato aduane abeguo na aduane no kura ne ma me concentrate ho more ni say one day bi na me ko adwuma na me si o we de me mfa me sister ho no na me hwɛ say aduane wo fi a brother said me ko no abo ampesie wow nti ampesie ayese maba be pie so ɛna meyɛ nam si we dey free nana minnim adwena mi sister no fa ayɛ ɛfa aduane no mihu ya ne sɛ aduane no wie yɛ no ofra ke bedi mekɔyɛ aduane no kakra bi nam si na so odi de enso ana aduane no wodi bi kɔmɔ obi anan no me pɛsɛ mɛbɔ ne ba ne din so me ba ne sɛ wɔbɛba ha nti mayi bi asi ne wɔnam si wɔno sɛ wɔbɛba ha no nti mi na maba sisi ya no wodi aduane ne twɛn na ɔse ne kɔndɔ odi body ache ni ade nam si eti ho no mu ana me de me fa telephone unim se me no me ma sem prempre na me frɛ nam si ewura na wo aduane no a enso ye no wo wato nkrase wo se me na unim ba bia me wo
edi
me wo Frankfurt
edi
nam si okay nti man kasa na niema me ko hunu se aduane ni bisi ho ni se me de yedi kitwa ni wie no mpo no me asome na me ko horo me nsa na me wie no me penalty a papa mensa na me pagya ya me hu si wakuri bi hu si wonam si na aduane na ya me no hwan die ni no se me ba ni si obedi na si eno na ma me flɛ no eno na ma me ko flɛ no na atoye eti da ma me hu se saade no on pese me ba be di fie ho no because sometimes bi me ko ho no na wa wonim ye kuku otwie me ko na nkwan bi she fridge na me bi ese me beka fufu wasi wa contact dia kwan no wa contact dia
boss abotra Womu ye chawuti also sere stew. Hey.
Na ya umi asa me ho papa me baby am won because ho na me se no. Me ho chip me. O me sini pizza na marisa pizza no krampo no madam fo bi na ye di free ni restaurant awowo. E na adwuma na ye na ye night job say the train abe pack no. Na ye ya ko cleaning until a late hour job. Nti senka minya no pa de 8 ni so anka beboa me. Any say me flow mu say o mu mesan ma me so aboy ni sin nsan kan tu na o mesan ngotwe no ti mi kan ni nyina besim no e ma me konya adwuma true asori amekọ no e wo different place the same city and I me move we say me pese me kọ ho no e no so ho manso e flefie said ye ma me ne kan me pay slip ye di kan e forward di ma fie for sesika say de me di ni o na me uncle frame me ai na mama my body ya boy apega and now sister ti wa ba do diska and now they are say okutukum na odi ko adwuma na me say na sika na yesen 2 hours job sika na me koye fatriton ni kire say obi amba adwuma no akoye ama no ne ye di ni sika aka wo and na me sika na free 600 they call 900 and no ni sika kesi ama kwaji ahye mboto mu a enu nti ya free fee say ma beje 900 ahye me kutukum na job ti me dey koye nna me ka kire me kire mu kire me anke ne se mesre no sika no eya nadua na me ko fie honom na omusi aba na me soso won se menti honom ade tin so a metwa me fakat na me san ye night job enti me koji se me de ko adwuma na me pon na nyame ya adom me ba ma ba betwa me fakat na nofa na me ye ne sa enu ntina ama na basa anye se bia magiska no anadwo no dia hye me botom se na me nsa se me yile ska no because even me work Ghana krampo no I handle container sika be 5 e wo port eno krampo no enye sikawa on because na me ye clearing agent nti miscellaneous no ye de mawa sika bebre enso mitimi handle na me nsa se me handle sika set 900 euro aba nti media no to ba bi na mka che me uncle so me yemfa no nto ono nti course de bia course ba na mi tan tiawa no mi firi omu nchen ekọ different place ese me ko start ablabon se de ba me wo nyina se mi tua o nti mi de mi gusu a mi tua na mi ko different place no eno mo to me nkra se ai mi sister ba akon ewu nti obekọ ayie akontasi obekọ ayie nti mi first camera mi wan so na mi firi ho no mo koye no me back payment na nka sa company ba kono de be ma mi nyina no ma mfa mi nsanka because me pesa magiska bia firi ho na me san ko start life foforo wo ba bi nka me konu mponkomu ma mi ntua dan ni kan so mu je dan ni sika no se dan no utua ansa na watenem omu je na me ka se o na se we ni de nka me kunti nka mo ma me mfa dan ni sika no nko na me mfa nko rent ba bia me ko mu ka chem se bia me ko a na anye yi na me san ba nti me ba na nya afi na me betwe omu ka nti omu atiato menya nkɔ bɛpem na ne sika ne da so hyɛ mu hɔ so mu atwerɛ so mu ntwerɛ no nso so hyɛ mu to mankasa na mi ba beduru ye no mu de pressure si mi so na fa sika ne blow na maboa me ho a mekɔ a me de bi kɔ mo nim sɛ me Nkrataa na control pa me ti me ni wo process mu a me wo azil house for the be me fan say is happen September 2nd until me ko 1 year ni amenye adwuma still no mu njai mi o mu nim se me gusu a me ye adwuma bro mu nim ne ekoso nyina mu nim se sei na ato me no da bia mu sole a mu giska da bia mu
2 minutes pe no 2 minutes so mo ba so
2 minutes down no na me kaniti a waka say we na yeko mu nyina no matter how ekoso nyame kan obia ho nyame nso be yi obia nso so abisade ama nse de oye ma ye nua no ye sister no obey obia nso de ama me di nyame ja obia ye beto aso so bye
bye hello mami Anita mami Ani hello papa papa so nkabi
Yeah. No.
Papa chakasa.
Yeah. And 7 day, maybe. I'm sure also or German landing.
Yeah, or Germany.
Or German landing.
But or Germany.
Oh, okay. Okay. Yeah, German landing. Okay. Yeah, just a month for a more candy. Yeah, na real and I did come to moon and say, one more call for more family banner. I never be family. I want to observe when you say, say family, even if you are and yes, it be our China, but some be do us here. Na, I know some Abrokyire mentality, no. Now, I've seen many people don't find by nothing. I am mason. No, well, no, so we are one charge, Me for the normal thing they say, I said people they say, charge or charge they are exactly a pound on their flesh, which is not good. So maybe they minimally say, and can you put on coffee bar? Don't want to ni plain fair. That's it. Don't want to plain fair. That's all. If you ultimately say even crack of form in crab no more or more day or more charge on say me coffee or buy as you are trying me plain fair anyway. So which is ridiculous. The first place, any amazing you say Yamisuni ni panimu. On say Yamisuni ni pemu dia. Dia say ni sunisika or the nipano and a yeska. But so what near my ACC here a sad. Well, I've been here for 87, which is what 32 years in Canada. Na Nimebu is here. I mean, the happy were Quariana is zero than Hadiana a little bit, okay, but then you okay. The first place, mean what I was a culture shock. By a culture shock. That what I can because Ethiopia need between a sanitary derby. But ye person ye say morofonu, but who share morofonu culture? They are plain, on BBI is simple. Into ye person me take 2 or more. We don't. Into we are in between. There was an in between. But be who you are. Culture is very important. Be who you are because me say if we love ourselves. We chat by you be do a year. Say Sikano pound sterling and I said dollar no any chasing to near you human relations not to check. When they mention you human relations not to check, nefi Sikana focus. Now one will know this Kakoda. But relation the most important because Nyame is a God of relationship. Nyame is no relationship come more than money. So what this case when this there that almost this case when so anything I mean say mama Kenya I mean what we you curse them we can because what should maybe as he said they don't have sense. As he said they don't have sense. How many sense? Say wow nuya. Wow fasi. Na wow ni na social di bi ya say. No say any reasonable being, any reasonable person won't do this. So it means Ombabucha, I think they have lost their senses. Babucha is nothing. Abuche is who you are. Oh, Abuche who you are. So Abuche change who you are, it means you are out of your senses.
More fire.
So Abuche change who you are there. Then you, because who you are is very, very important. And they say we know be a share. Necessarily, officer or say, who are you? Without question, because of who are you are. Officer would that's right. Or because it means or demean you. It demean you. Only mention. That's right. But Abuche should not change you who you are. Very, very important. Abuche shouldn't change who you are. But Abuche are changing the path. So they don't know their identity. So they don't know where they come from. So they don't know, their cultural values. What did I make sure? So they have lost their cultural values. And they feel so they are imitating wrong imitation. But who you are very important in life. If you don't know who you are, you be imitator, wrong imitation. So many people come to overseas, Britain, Germany, North America. They are imitating, so they lost their identity. But they lost it, then they are imitating. As he said, they don't have moral values in life. What do you mean? I said they don't have moral values in life. But morality is very important. Morality is very important because Nyakopon boy, boy as a moral and rational being. It is only no acting irrationally. It means he has lost his values in life. Now, if you lose your values in life, you are a miserable person. You will die useless. Because you are chasing the money. Yes, idea how say unipa was wuni offer what they are. Now, no, what lose relationship? Why replacing money relationship? No, catch says over to Sika, but we saw Jessica. Ubasa. What did I mention? Ubasa. In the Sika should not. It's a man Sika indicate your life. But that's what people are. $1 and one hope. Anything. And I'm telling you, I mean, or 44 quid was a book runner or office or yet, or so $1, or to be a cozy fee, or to a say, but listen to me, you die and live all these things. You die and live all these things. You will die and live all these things. You are going to face your God. And then, and then we say, we ordinary by say, no, say, of course, and yeah, to me, dear, Abrokyire. Oh, say, because I see a loss, almost lost in the for Niagara. And this is Ghana, Ghana become lawless country. Ghana become lawless country. Oh, the mission, Ghana is lawless. I am my farm, Unimobia. So the mission, but I know master laws no, master structures no.
Power.
So it's a master structures nintino. Na yem ba. Na ye who say loophole be one year use loophole. Oh, the mission.
Yes.
Who is Boni when you meet or show. As in North America, we be able to show one day alone a better.
More space.
Oh, yeah, that's one who share. Yep. You say, Canada. Alone one day it will catch you, my friend. What are you talking about? Yep. Who is Boni what you mean? One day the law will catch you. The catch on so I won't be a catch you won't be I say no. What they say, I say what they say, what they call number plate, you know. What you yours to discover. But what you discover, but no one need to discover. No, so people don't want to learn.
Wow.
What you discover? Because everything is there. You have to learn and discover everything in this country. Nobody will one no matter what. What you got to discover? So it means there are so many things there. But you have to use your intelligence. You have to learn. What discover, you will never deny you. Only a material. Also, you have to discover. So it's telling you when it comes to you have to discover. You can discover your full potential. Everything is there. But nipa no ba no. Or person will use other means. Cheap means. And it will catch you. Because your bar fed you cheap. You cheap. But na come baby use I didn't know almost DNA. But I said don't use DNA. What's one say? Okay, so yeah, say yeah, if it's clever.
Almost starting at me, I just someone check you, but yes, I'm overabuse.
Oh, yeah. My friend, what are you talking about? Okay, so yeah, catch you can't even be yeah.
Flow.
You know, our internet near this.
And I'm a charge more fire.
Oh, yeah, because yeah, buy a cost could be say double job. Yes, what they work from whichever because you know people were laughing at you. Double job. Now, hey, even you buy a crown, we negotiate. Or they say somewhere it's a night man no boo judgment no judgment for judgment crown no negotiate. Always a pay. You've been double job.
Telling you. Wow.
Oh yeah,
that's right.
Oko square for zero. The yaba now. But what you got to discover? Oko square near zero. But Omo school neno. Look, they are in better position. They are enjoying. If you've been so me okora no me na more. Ukasa hwode na bla bla buchi. Entina fe no mo use kala, afi mo use kala bule. That's what they are doing. Use kala bule. Oh, let me tell you. Once you calabule. Oh, let me tell you. Oh, things are interesting. Abrokyire enye bibi or bad. I feel say number one. I say no. Oh, say ya obe say west. We quite extreme. Now, person we ye nso with God help no. E betimi asi ye. Adi bi obi a o extreme. Upesi who nyame they are all resources with me who nyame more because and now person who nyame so I can get involved in all the stupid things we could deep here ko we omuntimi nsi Ghana bio omo abobo down on na ma who omkura omo life ya reho so about copy ebi wo who obi nkura mo downtown who go Ghana ni yeah because what I didn't beat you on life na beat you on because the Obebiano and one abita. Oh, we can and do the always watch and what the calabulina, you know, wow, nipa, now wow, bunadia. Wait, consider that, baby.
Papa, you I say, this DNA matter caused my divorce. I asked for it and she sent me a divorce letter. Jesus is God.
Was it there?
DNA test and Kuala ma won ope DNA test. Catch your ban so mo kwa kwaye. Obana kwaje divorce letter ba.
Okay. Tell me mention na me die. Mention me die. I didn't ibusamu. I didn't know about you. You never been DNA be any hole.
And na mekano. Maybe new.
Musa say, and then Tina almost into the DNA.
Yanum free.
Oh, ye be a bone man, Cassa, wouldn't yes, I see you. and some baby no a body of evidences, things that you cannot ultimately disprove. So there was a call sent to me because no copa. You want fast was in the back. After you no charging no a police case, no police ones where my friend would dear winning. Copa ne unia boss me yere. After Nkrataa. Neko police case. Yeah, so on put all this on until I sense no woman na this
question. I say please, so those of us who just came, should we go to school or work and get money and live? Papa.
My friend, if you want to build your future there, the best thing is to go to school. Life is investment. School is investment.
Oh, yes.
If you want to build your life there, go to school, my friend. Because work is always there. But work now, we are technology, the employing people who have brains. People who have knowledge. Now, how and you competing in this part of the world, yeah, you got to what? Excel in your knowledge. Because now we are because of artificial intelligence. Now they are wiping all these labor. People should learn, my friend. Artificial intelligence. Yeah, we need this. I dey talk right now. What scanner? They know what computer. Know what pay. Now go. Artificial intelligence take over. Now what Abrokyire? Nyamia do Abrokyire. We say we dey ahoɔden. What dey you say? What do you say? He employ adwene they build Abrokyire. And this person who say Abrokyire, they are my friend. The moment you come here, go to school. So that you can be employable.
I say, Papa. I reply, I say, thanks, Papa. But the problem is, I don't even know what to study if I should go to school. Me advice, man, say check your home. I did a course now we are Ghana. Program ben now we are Ghana. Na fair no na share. Pay a year or school by say benye. That's my opinion.
Sir,
yeah.
Mama. Can I come in that one?
Yes,
can I come in?
Ma'am. Yeah, come in.
Sure. Yeah, no, you come here.
Okay. But the question asked, what is he or her interest in life?
Yes,
that's
the same question I'm asking.
If you don't have passion with the work that you're doing, when you discover you're being miserable, find something that you're passionate with. Your passion, what is your passion in life? Then find your interest. What are you interested in? Sometimes say, I'm cost me all time. They didn't be a force money, of course. What is his or her interest in life? So, because this never have no be I said let's go. But my interest was not in nursing at all. I almost go, but not my interest anyone. So I didn't go for nursing. So I went to school to become a chef. I kept going to school course here to become a chef. And what my passion is, to say not just about what I'm doing, being and sometimes we take on side, but it's not my paycheck. So whatever you are interested in, whatever your passion is, go for it. Don't just go for the money, but go for where your interest was. If minimum can achieve you, so it's PhD as social worker. Other women, social worker, course, yeah. No fact about them for us to one. And you're back to the return. Now, I'm not going to be able to that's what my interest is in. And to PhD. And the money that she's making, it is her passion. She didn't just go for anything. And so all I want to evaluation is passion. What is her passion? Or what is his passion? Go for it. The people in the account. So that's why I want to come in.
Okay.
So let me go ahead.
Yeah, I mean, doctor, they said no. See, because of school, I mean, it doesn't mean to be an university. It trade, whatever you feel, just improve upon it. Mechanic school, I think your colleges, there were so many things here. whatever and go and improve upon it. Because you say it was technological error. Because those those with hands, paper.
Oh yes, Daddy. I know what I'm talking about.
So, whatever, go and improve upon, get a certificate. I know in future, which means your own business. And go to school, whatever you feel you are passionate, whatever, say recording studio, whatever it is, go. Get, so I just want to continue what he said. So, by the long run, I did be up with your hair. I did feel chef, what it is, go.
Papa, I said, how will I get to school if I don't have capital?
We don't have what?
Capital, that's money.
Oh,
capital.
Come on.
Oh.
Oh, Papa, true. Abia, for instance, Abia me took about UK for. And who's getting an amdiaba? How?
Well, we see, the whole thing is like, life is planning.
Okay.
You got a plan, because I was telling me about and now about US and say 1.5 edition. I've been talking to him. So look, Oba na twice no work if a baby 1 year and now we're planning. When they meet you now we're planning. I want to do this. You can say, Edmo ya kra, on se kra. Now if you acquire who 6 months course. So planning, you have to plan. Nyame wo boy so planning. Okay, nyango point. Nyame plan. So God is planning. Into your life, you should plan your life. Because you were long term and short term. And so you have long term goal. And long term goal, you got to break into short term. And so it's a short term that will live with the long term goal. What do you mean? And so plan, you got to plan. And then after planning, break it. And then put before God. Nyame so when you could see the whole thing, because you see, we can plan, but Nyankopon ni more, it amounts to nothing. And so plan now the Nyame. Nyame say Nyame person improve your life. Nyame person improve your life. What it? The mentality of most Christians say, "Oh sorry, kata baba na to my friend." After we pray, plan your life. Plan your life. What do you mention? So we don't plan. If we don't plan, then you fail. That one plan, then you fail. Is you are necessary. So plan. Well, you need to about Abrokyire. Where we can be Abrokyire, we need to buy. Of course, plan and pay the person. But I will pay person now. So they can be too. When they mention, so plan no. Gradually, by God's grace, you'll be there. Indeed, tell the person to plan his life.
Papa, let me talk about somebody bringing somebody here. As I was speaking up earlier, I listened to parts of it, but I was so many now. At the same time, so all the now tell the person up front. Don't hide anything from the person. So I'm capable of saying you there. It's okay. But don't play the person who grow up and I say you're waiting behind being the person to be your slave. Don't do that. Don't do that. Professor Wolby, not charging them. Tell the person up front. Yes, today, what I say, this is cost. I will charge you this. Let the person be prepared. Say, I can take this thing. But don't come and command and manipulate and then at end, no joke like that. No one lose family member. We should be honest. Honesty is the key word in every relationship. And kind of crazy way of today, no facts here, no power, course. No, I come there. Not giving no for it. But don't pretend those never. Nothing's attached. But what do you have? What do you street? What do you say? Own game. There's also and your young boy. Your foundation is wrecked. Your foundation is wrecked. Who wouldn't respect as a human being? Who would not respect that? It's just useless. Because when you don't buy it in the store. You don't buy new name in the store. So what is you in the market? Oh, who's so more radical? The name of one so new in your mouth. That's what I'm ready and so they should be honest with the people that bring it. They should be very honest. Who just say, hey, it's me to the car. This is the situation. Who they are, number of 5 years. Let somebody agreement the same year. But that's okay, 3 installments. Every month, the other. Who they have number of $300 to your mommy. Or who say, yeah, the ticket fare, whatever, or the two me. But don't pretend like we are who favor. That's what we do here. Only Christiano. That is so wrong before God and man. That is so wrong. So we should those people.
Yeah, Mama, what can I say? No, you see, the whole thing is said. Oh, he said, your mentality is obi apeso ababrochi. Your mentality is obi apeso ababrochi. But and then if oba one, there's something under the sleeves. On kind of credit chill. And I want to know person ababrochi ba. So na make sure because you see, Mama, I see what Ghana. Now, what advising for say abrochinya where obikwa mfio kwa na abrochinya count wo. Oh, dear, Mitchell, in the any other means, if you are a sober, then to be a coffee for so move you whom you if you are coffee, the beer to copper. Oh, we are going to you. Mitchell, but you know, one thing I see Nati as any said, Nyame is a traitor. Nyame when a boss on your ass. Nyame say what the Ghana Nyame say what prosper.
Oh yes, daddy.
So, but inside Pempi, no, Nyame ne dini petu etu kwai. Una mention. But ya ne ya ignore father say Nyame no boss so and life no so no. Me say o start ya no ye yi o. On fi say o babochi anu ye yi. O babochi opportunity wabochi. No question about that. But it depends on Nipano. Unipano. Unipano. It depends on if you want more. Oh no, Omogano, you go on, useless. And come on, Macranka, yeah. Omotigana about me a bow on. Until the hotness Unipano or bar one can't show. Because I capitalize it. What they say, well, I mean, when you do Babuchi, we were so excited. And he capitalize on that. And when you be after, you know, after we need money. One could do be Nkrataa, man. That's Nkrataa going to use because also Nkrataa. Just say, you know, this part of Canada, North America, and Canada, so we are or body was sponsored about Nkrataa, Bibia. When I mention and you could tell Bibia, and then quite different. So, but what I said, what do about Nkrataa and do capitalizing on that? No, what cheat you, which is not good. When yes, sir, and yet. Then yes, sir, obi also know that they now do you. That's life principle. I said, yeah, can't a warrior see me. Obi be wa unia ba ni wa abuse no. Obi yode. Now the I now the obi yeah, I now the obi unia ba the abuse no. So that's a question mark. So, and you know, and name money there.
Me pacho papa, me fasa kwenya we so. Me pacho wo so. That's our Nkrataa some ye kan wa semi obi ama afia wa na so obi abuse wo ho a me ye hu record the audio fabra na so be pa frɛ because eno ni me ne ye de buy people are going through a lot.
Of course.
Because of that obi she baby just say yensa so no mu pa Ghana.
Of course.
Now I want us to talk much about it. Papa, and this will be war a crubby when I say only Nkrataa na a foot to another Masani panel. Then was too much. Too much.
Well, you know, Nkrataa, you know, kind of whichever Nkrataa, I'm thinking a monk of woman be woman destiny. I you 10. Because Nkrataa is ni umebri ntimi nkano correct in life. Or any crowd about me. Me book back we are me woman being so free where this island baby or free other Jamaica or can some pathetic story be. I captured in my face was see. Ghana ni be share. Now I say Odono, no the Lord and so as one time ya on ordinary Nkrataa man no worry we love. And to waka say one day Beman was say one day or Konikrom was say no one or maybe no one. Ordinary and they say on Tasu be a view. She's home. We didn't cut a more one young so I can have no until can be you. You see what the person have done? Oh, it didn't come to be one more year.
Papa, program here, you know. Obi sending information. I see program here, you can achieve you good, but you better make a chain continuously. You better make smart squad. I'm a mama best spy when you know. Mama be tea, dear, you know.
Yeah, of course.
Yeah.
So also a kwaba no I maybe you. Intina oban wa ye bitter. Also want to will be a bio so. Intino Yaman contompona di enemy. Yentimin cano correct. Na make us say because if he said in your Nkrataa no and the end of there be no solution to all your problems. And in Africa a mao or a to come up when you got any here. What can contumbo? Intino my fan contumponi any or brabo. Even you can say contumponi wouldn't you had number head or you know. What a mission. And fan contumponi or brabo. What you go to do one and see we that. When you trillion cry a beshibasa, ubasa. And in the last advise people. Yen two or more for. Say, a bochino, bochabrabon, bochino, it be any hot. The only Yamines who first. Yamines will do any. It is what they say, what they say, Joshua chapter 1. We are the woman as well, I catch it. Was sick. I think meditate on this book there and now so that you will be prosperous and have good success. And it's all the Yanko Pondi were anymore. What come to a better success, a better prosper. We did not quite do anymore. And to my fan, Ukraine BBR. Oh, they mention because Abuchino, I say no more day, you know, or more day, and Ukraine, I attitude or man. So the meeting is a what about my and so see BB. And do Bob but ye buy if he say ye clever. Intibit me access no but Obwa. I send Ben Obama on your very or Ghana no call Oba first. I send no kind. I don't Obama kind. What's it set the structure in place? What's set it in place? That's it. But you person you follow structure, you person you follow you person you circumvent, you person you know you U10. Abrabon say you person you U10. And didn't san kontumpo am you to try to say where nenwa would be about what gin be 20,000 or gin 10,000. Na sana about SETH. Mama will continue bro.
Mami ani
Papa, me wa me free so ye. Na me network me ha me kakra bi. Maba.
I'll continue my side.
Maba no dia maba.
They continue my saba. 7 no na also.
I'm into the great.
Maba no na maba. Na ye keka kwe. Enkrofo a step aware the word aware a word that emu ye dru.
Long.
Nkra honhom a honhom na edi etire no ano ye den. Sa honhom ne firi Nyankopɔn a emu ye dru pa. Se firi obronsam a eye ho ne ho. This is the explanation I made ba bema ebeto ho. Sa obi ba sa one wo ba be ye nkrataa aware a Mami pape ebeya eka menku anka woni nipa na ekasa no enye ni nipadua no na wo hwe hwe ne honhom na edi nechi no because ebi capitalizes on our rear Nkrataa our rear no mu di edi wo bone boni odidi wo ne se obetwa bo te say e de ato ho ama na wasam weni mu fifre akoba ye nyinara na wo de etua SethEkow we owia waka kire o se because say me no ye da ade ne to eso say ya ware no efie kese mu fo no age atomu no nti bra na me ne wonna na me new ekoso enu nti amankrofo aware ankasa omo aware no say because of Nkrataa asem nipa ne ba no so no be ye Nkrataa na maami e flesh na aba no you would not know the background of this person ni intentional or the buyer for all you know no be won say no spy from afar nkete sopel onya papa yire dia meji no no be rere ma no ehun say Nkrataa no woni bi nti no opt I can help not help na akoba no etwa bo no say de be ye obema wuku na age edi say oboa oni nti no etwa bo amu ntimi ntua bobo modern team ani mu fifre na mu tua sika ni wia na wafa wechi mesra mo mi nyina hansa nkrofo aware but make realities mesra mo bebre na wafa etire na otodwa oyere na otodwa oyere so adwen be ye ne say because say oni wa ye Nkrataa ni nti maami aha na me ba be based on. In the first place, the agreement was, I take money, I help you get the documents. The agreement wasn't, I'm taking the money and I'm going to sleep with you after the document has arrived safely in your house. Makoka brofo. Monfanchame. Asam no ne say oni wo hihye mra no oni wo call apamo no wan kan kire wo say ani wo kunu te ho no wan kan kire wo say oni wo kom apam no wa gisika ente say na owie a wasanso afa kire na wadiw mra wo hu say Nkrataa no bibia koyie na ba beto wonsem na ba beto wofie na we hu onipa bia oyasa no Lucifer mbao osin Lucifer emmeifo hene eni sa nipa no se ebeya twakotima sa nipa no because oba be say wofie maami so obenya akukudura ka kire wukunu woni ne te sam aware ankasa ka kire no na wo nipa won so because of Nkrataa warienti wonam kwoti kwan so agisika befu ekodi obi yire e de aka ho wo de wo sania wo betete na e mobo
and also wo person boye chibi ami anita person no boye chibi
onim I know what minimonia make am me hu nioma o.
This is talking for
nioma anything na make ni pempe me fancy me hu nioma I have seen na mo sunti nkrofo ware egu wanda ne mo hu meyimfo kokosechi ana musin ni aso ana mu twam na mo hwe we mese ni fie we mese na ware we me di we beba na hwe enye obi na betimi di sansamfu be ye kankan na kɔ ne so ebusuafo na mutie yen no se momfa Yesu ya momfa ne se mokra ne mo age nkwa because he is the Lion of the tribe of Judah. Or if he or brofo nemba or bibia skata e jana fi ne ho ba no esan nyoma nyinara ansa na obetumi asɛ wo nyoma nyinara de ama wo no na wo wafa ne sa okra ne waje nkwa said ye be your bronsam ne di nefe nsam ne ba se obeboa mo anya won homa no on fakoti kwan non kan trust media ma we wi ntimi sanso aba begi waka ho. Don't entertain that stupidness. They can't stupid. Me see me animu da ho. Me kasa no Yesu Kristo ama me to me. Say me tiantian wo woni nyanya nkyere so. En wo woni nyanya nkyere ne ya honhom boni a eti nipa mu. Ana mo adane o mo santrophy no ma. Ana mo di nkwase asem. Frustrating crofo. Obeti yesi Abrokyire aware asai. Abrokyire de yan ware wo ho. Na muni mu nkwase asem amudi ene mmone nyoma amudi.
Oh fire.
Na wo wi a wa ba be kasa si mesi na ware na engina because wo wakọ akose no wo ma wo ho kwam ya akọ akose no. Na wo your friend is saying wo na no employer no be pro times 3. E wo wondem. Woni mo nyame na ni ku ekun aware ho. Na wo ya Nkrataa dia mobi a wo fa kweti kwan so chim nipa ne papa ne nsa edi ne yere aka ho. Hey.
Adita, Mr. What's that? Nira da ka ho me pa cho kanza.
Oh, sir.
Yeah, Mr. Who pa ni da ka ho kanza, Mr. Pa kanza. Why me pa cho? Pa cho, Mr.
Only papa ne yere da ka ho.
Yes. We wicked pa, wickedness.
See, Emma Nkrataa warrior say.
Oh no.
Mommy, na ma wo ho kwan. E na me kin na me ka ba ma so. Emma, ekoma ye nyinara. We should also not me Emma ho kwan. Me koka brofo.
Amen.
My Emma ho kwan because share me who be permit to me describe it. And to me, but ye be a man in nyoma na mi hu ye no. Ebi will come. Omo beba te se nyomu ye nipa. Omo shada ba wo fie, especially say Yesu moja ne mbo wo dan ano a. Omo shada ba e te se nipa. Na omo behwiahwia nyoma na e wo ho no. Omo behwiahwia ahwe. Na omo hu baby kra they can dwell in your house. E wo fie. Baby omo tena ebe ye yie. So they will go, I'm back on normal, but all in the name of me person me boy na onya wa ade no. Unya wi ano afanya nsakwan so. No ogu fie. Emonsa mo hene. Emefo akakrake. Me se me onyankopon wa ma me say to me Luke chapter 10 verse 19. Or say I've given you authority to trample upon snakes and scorpions, and nothing by any means will come near you or hurt you. Because before I meba so my bomb empire and sameba inti me kan weni ma na me kan weni mo nyankopon ma me say to me no. And Jeremiah chapter 1 verse 8, or say I should not look at your hostile faces. So I'm not looking at your hostile faces. I'm not looking at it. Open na you we bra onyankopon be ball rough off their mommy. Meda soundly. Meda soundly, meda obegina ho na me snorkel go so. Make sure enim ewa ha. Sa honhom na mama me ma ho kwan e ma bet that na mumu. Omo ba as if said they are human beings, so as they are not. We see you all. Don't come to people's houses and come and destroy those houses. Na mo fa news enko sa si me si fie.
Breaking news.
Yakwa say no.
Breaking news.
What Dani honhom na dru na ju amututu no. We've seen you all.
Paka.
We have. And we know you all. O wa ha na woni mu nyame ape Abrokyire aha obi man so na nyame da ni hu adi pa awo ya brabo mu.
Yes.
Obi man so e na Yesu Kristo ma ye hu so te ase.
Amen.
Obi man so e na Yesu Kristo di ye nsam ma yen enti sa ofu so ma oni omo nam na omo ne wo sere oye seni so omo nyino mo ye nipa nya omo nyinara na ye nipa ndem asanso aka misi manimu da ho mo hwe ni yie meyi mu amama akoma enya omo nyinara na ye nipa na omo so ba omo ba in the body of the people we know anu nti yama ye ni nda ho ma yanka ncho se ade ne yakwakoya mama enya wo de emro so enti baby be ye loophole Ema obeba betina ho no awi a no asɛ wo no akun. Na wo be no na ade no wonsa anka. Wonsa kan yen so because say no me ode ne ho aka wo ntia no me aba beto so. Eno nti ade bi a wo de beye bi a wontumi nkɔ w'anim. Eka na minim ya meka mese mete ho no mente ho kwa Yesu Kristo ka ye ho ya ye wo program we so nyinara Yesu ka ye ho it wo ye attempt to say na do over fly on anybody's door or window or room. I'm sorry ube wu na anopa ne yaba begina wo ho
Wasumpa. Obviously make sure you clear every cobwebs in your house. Connection.
Of course.
You're very disconnected.
Of course. Of course. Of course.
That is in us.
Of course. Of course. Penyifo be hu penyifo na mo mo dane mo hu nsantro free enoma na mo di bone esum enyoma anya nyinara mo na ekoba ye de soa mo. Then you group yourselves. Mo group mo ho. Oh, bet me I na mo tosi nipa. Na mo the spirit of frustration. Manipa. Na mo say no. Simply because the person came into this land or onto the land with purpose, with vision, just to achieve the vision in it. Wabeto mo nsem na mo born to say chaskele. Mo ni mo say to me kra nipa kro no. Paya mo be fa so mo be gi to me na free nipa kro ni nsem e Yesu to me no. Na mo de yankoti na ba ne no mo nsa. No so sebe. We lose the senses in it. No we di we chi no mo akonom a sip. And then one thought or china two thought ube hua na mo awie no kojo to mo de nsa ewia sa to me na free nipa ni nsem na fi nipa ne nama na brabo ayebasa onimu senka oba bebo bra e di akofie obepet sa ehuma we no etumi akonani but moye mo ho mmaifuo nti mo tete mo nyina mo wo kro bia so and we know mo tete baby ani nti no mo the spirit of frustration na se ade ade ni tum na kofi kese mu na mo akwa dane ahonhom no akotena judges ni emu lawyers ni mu na mo di nkwase asem me say yehumo do not tempt God. Do not dare try God. Because my home now more than now they all are afraid of the word Jesus Christ and the name as that. Do not try it. Oh aha na wo ni mu nyame a Abrokyire de yehu Yesu. Fa Yesu especially Nkrataa asem. Se nkototin afa Yesu.
Anum.
Na hwe se onjewa. Me say omo nyinara omo ya ahonhom adura na adwo a omutu. No ma kokoko mia no ma ko plant ne ade. Moma ye ninda ho. Na ye ma ye mpai bo munya den. The reason why Onyankopon say we should pray without ceasing, you know, he sees all things and he knows all things. Anka die nti na oni obi na baaye. No ne nyoma ekọ enim na ugusu we tire.
No struggle.
What be some questions are? Obia wo kwan your faso de ye ne nyoma di nya ne nyoma. But at the end na anya see mesi fruit playing the same they do the same country. Emu na see mesi de bibia akototi man na wo de na akototi. Me say Matthew 10:36 say I tell you what your enemies are from within. Ebetimi aye webusuani.
Boy bakawa no shekambu.
Aha kokopa. Especially ebusuafo na omu ni mu Yesu na sabe anadwo no ma sorry na mumusie ye no mo kwa akobon samanfo din no. They are very dangerous. And they will go and do it and pretend when they see you, they will pretend as if they love you and they will bring out all their 66 teeth. So you see, say they love you. Yes, we humo. Yes, we humo pa. We don't fight physically, we fight spiritually with God. And so do not try. Me say anaju we me yimu nyinara me bomoto eja. Ebusuafo ka ho. Obehu se wa ye adwuma. wo prepare sɛ wobɛyɛ wo nneɔma na wo so watumi akɔ w'ani wɔ abrabom then yes ebusuani bi say ɔyare nti fesika bra how does these things happen
every day?
How does these things happen? Media me mehu bi me ankasa mehu bi because everything is orchestrated spiritually before it manifests. Nti onam ho na o feel say o de onam ho na o kɔ na ba ya bɔ wo ho pɔbɔne.
Wise up.
And nam they come in the form of human beings. I have witnessed it myself. They came in the form of human beings. Na me na meti ano menjo. E wo Yesu mu.
Physical and spiritual on fire.
Of course, menjo. Because of the me afifa nneoma mu atrɛtrɛ me nneoma. Iti mi hu a minim so ye hey we yes ankrofo ni me mba won pone won ba mbekasa. Meko mi nkoto dwenim. What I'm expecting to happen, it happens.
Yes.
Ye mo na mo ha adwen na mo say ni mo akọ muni mo say eho ye loophole wo ebusuafo, especially they do not know Christ or have Christ or under the banner of Christ in sino na mo you so am to come and distract us so that you to me mo abusika no nya ehoma maami wote ye krom ende wo yare ochina wo hwene ochina chi wo sisi echi fa hinkosi me pa cho me ma ho kwan na enya kwa sa wo pesa wo ba na wo de watu kwan abetina akwantuom wo hu na me fa yare na mba wo ba na enim embe ka nkyere ne se ye mfa sika emfa mbra wo nkɔ sa yare na wo ba ne nka Abrokyire because sika na wo ba na eboaboa no no de kɔ ye bibi na aboa mu nyinara na wo de ye wo ma wo hu kwan ye de yare ato so nti wo distract wo ba no said ye be your own to me mboa sika na no nkɔ ye ne Nkrataa wo be 10 years 15 years 20 years na wo ba ogusu si faako uwi ana usu kona kosumu nyame kofa Yesu sa wo kra ne waje nkwa no mbo wo fie dom nyina ho ba no mbo wankasa wo ridie ne ho ban se de be ya yare no emba se de be ya wo ma magi sika mfiri wo ba ho na oba netimi aboabo sika na no de akwa ye Nkrataa na wahu no na weni age bros me di be see her bro.
You did well.
Hey,
and what charge
fire.
Papa, me say enioma mehu no wahu. Me hu topic na pe na me se me nkofa Bible na me nka no Nyankopon ma me ahoden mo because se na me gina me ne SETH na wo studio mo beti na me bobo enioma sei no. Me hu enioma me to me describe it. I can't describe it. So Nyankopon, when he wants to get your attention, he has a way of taking you away from certain things so he can speak to you.
Yes, I can't. A dose which we can be. Never use
part 4. What's that? You can't be see a wide name. Abrokyire.
Brave. Yeah, so now cost all this. Yeah, cost we. Culture shock. Me can't culture shock.
Mama ntina se mo bi mfa n'anim nka se enyo mo nyinara na ye nipa we bio me sanso aka enyo mo nyinara na ye nipa ebi ye mbrunsam incarnate na ebe fie ho in the name of me be ya ade de aboa enti wo ye no na wo bo huhu muja edi go omo so huhu muja na free Yesu Kristo ho enfri agbalagba enfri nogopo enfri afia de nyingba because omo nyina omo hye Yesu ase edi Yesu no ye bo a omo nyina omo dwane.
Amen.
Oh yeah.
Amen.
The din bi no a eso sin Yesu tumi Yesu din no din bi no ntino but the what thing is mama obi antimi odi agro oni mbegu ase. Don't try.
Don't know.
Papa, we are not afraid. Yes, we
No.
Yes, we
me we see the what is the what manyami hu se wakomo ye fita na hia. obetu odibie omo ebesa akọ omo so.
Papa, me say me hu bi da. Nipa ne try na me ti krom ha. Wabodam e wo ye krom Ghana.
Yeah,
Or try you.
When I ho.
Me nkoya na hwe me ko me nkotodwe ni na me ko sunye. Egu onyankopon so. And Hebrews chapter 4 verse I think 16 or so, 12 or so, 16. I catch them and say I should come. He's giving us the privilege to come into the throne room boldly.
Yeah.
So when I go to God, I go there boldly.
Yes.
Yep.
Boldly. Yeah.
Yeah, for you, nyame some endi agro Abrokyire because emrofo nankasa ne ene omo na mamo so ya honhom e kre kromo there in their own ways.
Another.
Asem wake. They see and they know. They know that you have the spirit of light.
Yeah.
And they know it.
Yeah.
And they come to tempt you over and over. Then they tell themselves confessing, say, hey, who do catch you jump? Who do different?
Yeah. Yeah.
No, because they try physically now. Need about whom they make catch you again. We are strong, we are different. Oh yes.
I have been told these things. I have. I am a show man amesre. Mo beda no anu echi nsuo me sori abompaye. Onnam no broni bi hu na onya ne hwe. You don't know this obroni from Adam. Now we muna de achewa ma me hu no say spiritually the person has been orchestrated to come into your life to distract you.
I try and alpha.
Onya ne hwe. No akotwa atrato so get to know so that is the spirit of the devil manifesting in that person.
Yep.
Just get to know that. Don't go and fight that person. And your chromogana phony being so tisa. Your chromogana phony be so tisa. Get to know all these people. Also, when you walk in my spirit, I reveal things to you in the spirit. Therefore, you are armed physically because you've seen it already. So that when they attack you physically, you have already been armed. He has already told you the things to do. So you don't stand there and exchange words with them because some of them are spirits of confusion. Just to come and create confusion in your life so that a woman now won't to me in pay. It be a spirit of confusion to the sense of unipa ukromu ni pagane ni so nuwe usika na wode kwakoye nhoma. Then wo nipa na kwakoye nhoma na ote ho na oka na nka mekoye me nhoma na si mesi ewia mesika. The phrase na me use here na nka mekoye me nhoma na si mesi ewia mesika. Na it say 30 years na say asimesi na we wia usika no mfambre we 30 years na wo obi krom no. Wontumi nya wo nkrataa o. Because asimesi ewia usika the reason is wo de wo hu akwakoto nipa ne so. God says we should trust God or no nyankopon and not man. We should put everything our no nyankopon same into the moment I don't we need nabekwakoto nipa ne so no nipa ne nim say wo ahase no hama de mawa obe wiki no we bubu ni esie o into obeba be wia osika no. John 10:10 I say bro for no me refi ade kwa wo hopo ayira me sisi apo.
The thief comes to steal,
the thief comes to steal, to kill, to destroy. But I have come to give you life and life in abundance. Fa wo hu to Yesu so said ya be ya okronfo ne yusu asimesi ne de ne ba be wia we ni gie na wunya na. Ma wo shock. Me amfa won to abolas mun konko enko wie wo hospital. Because as a wire ready so person called the next stage in your life no fight no ebeba and it comes in so many ways.
Yes.
It comes in so many ways. So that time no monasta wonyemo a omutumi wi akola no omutumi manyi say ne say bra o praise obenya Nkrataa no omutumi manyi say ne say omubetumi am ye de wakoto hospital omubetumi am ya fra ebusuani bi be fra aka che say o ma me say ni face cabra na just imagine say wo that hospital bed so ya fra say face cabra ma me do you think say ye kwa fa Yesu fana kumapem. Let him be a friend. Hebrews 4:16, or say come into the throne room with boldness. For yes, so that you can go to the throne room boldly to speak. Throne room no to say akola ne papa. Akola pe bibi afiri ni papa nchen ya otimi nya confidence bi ekọ ne papa nchen ko ka say that me hia sa dey we na papa ne dey ama no. That is how the throne room is. The throne room of God, that is how it is. Only ne ya adamfo a oti wo mo ye honhom o ye alive and active no. Okọ ne nchen na obo wakra onim. Oya attempt to say wo kwa kotieti amosom nyenye nkyere ne ade so obekasa akola we ya anya fast a obegu yenimu ati nti omo beye fast aba be kava. Sa abosom ne nyenye nkyere na tinipe mu. And no more operating. And it is so sad that the majority of the people came to this part of the world that they couldn't fulfill. Omen to me and fulfill it on my brabo. Because they lost purpose, they lost their focus. Yeah, be man so mommy, papi, oba no di but I be ne see when you so person oba now watch it. Yes, a mobile den there, and also interest say. Omo ba no mo ka se yen sha atade enko party bia obedi party bia eno so omo nim kwan eye kwan omo fa so di real every wo purpose so enye party bia na me se ye den yakọ enye bibia e na obe dress di akọ because mind you dressing na o dress no entire expensive ones now on every blessed day you would want to live to please people. Into every blessed day they will push you to get this. Oh, when fatal. Then you look at the price and you say who here now this ikana kwakoto me was ikana ka oh boy no dia ye for one gasa wa bravo but when almost some buy no man be bo bra papa bia into oba kromu hana omunim oba na omunim yo mo ba sheda ba fie so mo be sraw omo ba no do ma nyame won kronkron na ati mu no embie bie ni o ma so nkyero obehu ni oye papa ne ni onye papa Anita anya ni obeba be ka kyo say yanko parties
Anita what you just said I want to like top it okay
Mama koso
women so oba for we obi oba Abrokyire fra be prayerful. Be prayerful because sana Anita kan no obibo brabum no aka say obeboa but the one menyansa amwo no menyameho di amwo see they will wreck your home. They will wreck. I'm talking from personal experience. Say nyam konkon anka me anka men ka me say my wife for 30 years. Me ba obi a macha abrabo ase obi obebo bra okuma ma ontimi mo bra yie e ba ma bra bom e na bitokun ska e na bitokun ye sei yenkwa sei yenge sei na da ku bi de e na true me e na me ka say maami e un bibi ma wo foforo enye dweme koye me nails me koye me sei amwa wo hwe mu ofudiem me kunkwa na koba en me sraw da abrabo ni bi mo bi una umenyini na so bobra fine afana mo sha brabase in me sraw in pese futuwe and then yabe ma me nyansa ne kukuduro ama me kasai no since then the lady never bother me again well because sanganya me nyansa amma me mu I'm talking about 29 years ago asemo enya na asem maker my first child obama brabum so bobo me bidwara abofra no obedwa no ba into atoa and atoa I heard her but I didn't listen to her me amanya me mam nyansa ama me kan say mami unu bi over 20 years before I walk into this land mean to me so in for what job bebre let me be and let me me person mo abrabo na nese na oka no depression achi wo mu these people that so called doing their meals and stuff no you in their old age are not companion now they see you, they see the glory of God in you, but they want to mess you up. That's when you more No my rade nye redu abrabo mu a. O my rade nye redu abrabo mu na kodu mu chi a. Ehon na me mapin na nyame de wo mo no na ahwere wo. Because you went and listened to these fools. They try to impose things on you. The one need nyame wisdom, they'll win your mind. But in Sri Lanka, nyame say, on no a oye mu bru nyame no, o cover ye mu binom. O na sem the cover ye. Am eme, you can say it me aware for this how many years? Hey, Oba Abrokyire, show almost say they try to help you. Show me ye pa. They are the same ones who will wreck you. They will destroy you. They will destroy you. No mama pointing finger, they will laugh at you. Because that be a new and to almost share on international just a one why they didn't get nowhere in life. People try in the beginning on what some sell. You have to be wise up and descend the spirit of discernment. You can descend and know those who are from God and those who are not from God. What if you get me by the ate, you will in the hole. Be the make catch you, and second year no control one say or be or castle of wow, or no quite a bit destroy the cassette. Or be a boy, I say, oh, and a wow, no, so I come down the baby there, or be destroy. If you get it for in the hole for watch out. We got come the cat no come why.
Yeah, that's a movie.
Welcome dear.
Chat 2 hours ni actually. Ready at 4 about twaso. Auntie. Yeah, but say a bad be more. Easy. People are suffering now.
Okay.
Say a bad be more. Finding a real requirements. Our final words we also and I say. I'm commenting. Commenting the next day. If you grab a paper, you're ready. Describe so and it's interesting. So the question there, we say, Mammy Grace means I see it's true, Mom. Listen, as I said, say it again. Okay. Mr. Jones, Dark, I say. When some in Europe, big camouflage, family people, or someone you respect a lot and use you. My mill is just say Asemu Elizabeth or him, Mr. Steven, just say I'm also paying €7,000 2016 till now. Wait, I say in it. Okay. Mr. Adobe, I say, Mommy, more fire. Fire some pastors in professional. Nayasiri. Ena Roda. I'm matching so say amen. Okay, I was until 9.5. Santi, I'm also sad watching Vivian's project. Abrokyire has made a lot of people mad like a day. Okay. Let's see. Mr. Samson Kusi, also Sister Bena, God bless you, true talk. Now say ask them, say it again. Cargo. Mr. Jones, I say in town and I ran to fellow black man thinking he's going to rescue me. Then he and his wife tend to rob or steal me. Take it from their children after bringing them. Sister Steven, also Uncle wanted to change his oil. Okay. I say, okay. Sister Kasemu, good. Okay. They end up in care homes. No. Certainty. I say yes, and beggars too. Point. Okay, Sister Mavis Duku. I say watch it from USA. Keep it up. I really like this program. But I didn't share also say and also what you made. About you a new to a like a video and subscribe it. Every evening piano, American time 3 p.m. UK 8 p.m. Germany 9 p.m. Yeah, Baba live at the program. What topic about? And it's your first time in here, and you're one day pay every day, maybe unless Sunday pay. Sunday, no, rest it. See, and twas so. So the guy don't divert the language. We say this one is for vanishing eventually. Nah, then you queen how. Okay, we say mommy cream color. Or we say, hey, that match. I say, brother, your own is better than my own. No, which means on your Geneva 50,000. No, you speak Kenyan. You say I killing.
That's a shame.
I'm not killing.
That's a shame.
Yes,
That's
and
a
I say they
shame.
hate when you start working. Once you start working, no, the payment must commence. Let the game begin. There's someone just say, we are doing now. We say we pay na banana. Now, much I say you miti. I
Oh,
mean,
yeah.
I say the verse is Isaiah 45 verse 7. I say the one forming the light and creating darkness, causing peace and creating disaster. I am the Lord who does all these things. Okay, Ojeba was, oh, sorry, too sad. I'm sorry. Was sending audio. Let me play. Just remember.
Okay.
Send audio be by okay, man.
Nasa woba Abrokyire na wonnim adeɛ meme say mekɔ school do class 6 ɛwɔ Ghana na menim adeɛ meyɛyɛyɛyɛyɛ nti megyae kɔsua adwuma mebaa makɔ school 3 times ne nyinaa mefeele exams medeɛ
So
meware Broni na de me baeɛ nti nkrataa asɛm deɛ menni problem na mewehye sɛ mɛtumi akɔ school yi na nka me ankasa mayɛ yi naso mayɛ a na Nyame ayɛ m'adom mewɔ nkɔlaa mmiɛnsa nkɔlaa no deɛ ɔmkɔ school papa wɔ ha nanso sɛdeɛ memewehye sɛ nka me so mɛtumi akɔ school na nka ma educate me ho na ma establish me ho anyɛ saa nti meme so deɛ na mɛtumi ayɛ because meme team ne mmoa me nti na ɛkyerɛ sɛ yɛn a yɛntumi nkɔ school no na ɛkyerɛ sɛ wontumi nkɔ school na sɛ wobɛtumi ayɛ adwuma mefiri sɛ ɛno so yɛ better anaa pɛ sɛ mebisa sɛ woantumi ankɔ school na mmom wotumi nyɛ adwuma na woyɛ a ɛno so ɛyɛ bɔne anaa na sɛ mbisa ɛne
okay, Mami Anita, wait a minute. I answer question.
Oh,
Papa.
yeah, oh, yeah, what I say in your bonnet. I mean, as no ability, what do you say? Or say all kinds of course go one day in Buana. And you know why they are. So what you have to say? And what do you say? Obiano with me a change your mentality. Do you school no matter what your mind is closed. And you know, so but the most I mean comfortable thing is help your children. Gonna make sure no money bomonians over bomo almost what educate the best education that you can give to your children. Because here you have a pardon one cool school that gonna make sure no but almost try all what they can educate and so you know the whole most important is say your juma never support woman aspiration with dreams no I'm waiting for amount and your bonnet. I don't know your bonnet. Omano nyame natural one. Money so much medicate to me na the opposite will be an on which me aye e dey share that chap down and your bonnet.
Okay.
So that it.
Mr. Nana Edu Sepo, watching you live from London. Good evening. Living Europe. No easy. Okay, Philly. Ozzy, he is telling his story, but if you listen to if you listen to, you have to listen to the other side. Most of the people that are from Ghana are very ungrateful. He is lying. Philly, can you explain? We are not getting your story. I say, why didn't he stay in Ghana when the sister was bringing him? I did ask a personal attack.
Uh-huh.
Daddy, please, some people go for loan with interest. Just you. You wish you come back. No, I'm here to the air course. I say, drama be course. Sister Rhoda Match, I said, brother, the God that did for me will do for you, okay? Please keep on praying. Diamond bet. Wait, yeah, that's true. Mr. George Chumasi Walker, I say, please, so those of us who just came, I think we answered those. We could just say education is Yvonne I say, yes, Papa. Mommy Angie, Ajema, I said, Daddy, you right. And then you say, how will I guess? Mr. Jones, I said, look for construction work. In the evening, you go to school. Yeah. Also, just we pay you maybe daytime, no. Construction work, no.
Yeah.
Night, no. Wait, my classes.
Yeah.
Mr. Jones said, I was say, or garden work, whereas you go to like.
Only baby, my memory is here. My memory is here.
Okay.
Me more from my woman America Hanamono. A woman from back 5.
Oh wow.
The women are adults, okay?
Piat.
Oh
Piat.
painful. Say, yen to be biamomo. School, no what's aye juma. And be no big yen, I'll say yen fa mom. So that's the mindset I say sometimes. Who feel who have it. And yes, what about Chinkuna? But who Ghana Krana? And so have that kind of mindset say, we juma. So we obia when you did trade na be a trade no a daytime penum be na je na so trade ba area na what the kakra university school. So it's all mindset. If you set up your mind to do something you can achieve it. No one only plan biara only anything and the woman nantimusa in this fracra a woman hanum need de no school esan ye full time enye ye ma ye pibi bia ko ye chi okay enye ye ma ye pibi bia ko ye chi na ye kase ndimi ko school na esan dey aye adwuma. It's possible if you have that kind of mindset. You can do it. And this what school but no obeda akonyu yi unsim but school bra that's something be tangible to do. Find something that you are interested, and the whole thing is interested. When you're interested, and the way you say cho, where's that idea or be shall say that yeah. But so you're interested in anything, when you're gonna equip you to get better and better in what you do, because we're interested in what you're doing. So someone wanna mention
yeah.
It's very important.
Perfectly right. Perfectly right. Yeah, you're right. All right.
Okay.
Okay.
Let me see. Mr. Angel, see you can work and do part-time course as well. Mr. Jones, it's not a day job to succeed in Europe. Others come in every night. They are at discotheque.
All people be a model. That's a model discotheque.
Yeah, no for no. I'm right. Planning is good. But until the person settles on getting his or her own before he or she can do it. Thank you, Mama. We are Mr. Kudiano. This could because of the all kinds of bad company they falls in. Please tell them some are very wicked. If you are in a good hands and you know where you are coming from, think twice. Yeah. I quite say Kruma say, Yanoma ye just a bit, ye be no. A buy a shame we almost sooner. Mufia a scawfie on papanum, omo one idea bano. We to bowana 1K soon. Wow, buy and bano, or more cockalaba, won't could be now down passing. I this almost one mobile now, Mujimi this year. No, don't be a more coffee. What I say, we change there. Oh, Quana, so we need target. Remember, if I'm a hydrant, I remember from a boy on corner, maybe on cook room. I must say, it on now. Maybe a benefit, a benefit. Even my life, sorry, I'm for Biba. That's all. Or one of my boy banner, and you baby, musi, lab will be chef any diamond. Papa, Sonny, Nijie. Nijie, Unquane, she shiny jaw tacket. There's a arrow, and son, my be seen in Adam Wajim.
Na sɛ ewiase na control mu ewiase na afa mu dum na ebe omo ye na ompe nti obi a wama wiase kwan sɛ control no there. That's what they will do. They live for the world. Omo tnas me wiase. And the wiase dictates to them and they go flow of wiase. But why nyame honhom ahya o ma no, you go proper okra empe. When you won't be to an ampo face on because okra na etu mu no empe that place is no. And the more kwan kra mo ngonye ni de on. Ukọ you be miserable. Unu do sir and club center, you will be miserable. You can never be like them. But the Spirit of God will quicken you out of there, and you're playing place in on them. Let's say you steal your mind, your conscious. Now, when it's still conscious, not conscious, have a clear channel to God. There's no way that you can go to that place. There's no way. You can never go to that place. No way.
Okay. Okay. Let me rush. See. Yvonne say I'm free. If one. Assistant Mercy today. Very. Hey, Brandon, Sister Cindy, welcome. Chile, Ebeka, Kaboom, Wate, Boom, Physical Prophecy. Physical, Wate. Yvonne say yes, mom, you are right. Mommy, it's right too. Okay. Mercy, yes, it's true. It's not me, it's brother. Okay, I know what my network and I hear rough. Sister Akosia Praise Kavira. I think this is the first time seeing you here. Welcome. I was good. I've seen God just go. Okay. Mami Adobe, I say, okay, sister, I am doing well. Everyone, I say, yeah, I'm for you. I'm at you. Can't you say beware of cleaning your cobwebs?
What are your cobwebs got to do with anything? If you have the protection of
I say communication.
Oh, please. Only that idea from him when you're binding.
I think she's kidding. She's joking. Okay. I say yes. So some Ghanaians think that Yanum cannot cross over. So when they come to Abrokyire, they just relax. Mami Anjo say, mommy is right too. Life is spiritual. Yvonne say, your own people cry, but Nkrataa see. Could you as fire them or Abrokyire is more serious than Ghana cry, and it's all connection. Tanti no. I say, and it's no work. But you say yes, so sis, I'm okay. Tanti, I say yes, Yvonne, and before you realize, your Nkrataa is in Ghana waiting for you. Evil doers, may fire burn you or. Because I say, Holy Spirit fire. Amen and amen. Mercy then. Mami Angie, I'm like Beji. I say heavy talk and heavy. Tanti, I say, but he has given us the spirit. He has not given us the spirit of fear. Mommy is right too. Hey, I say, I say as soon as they be they are slave to papers. 30 days. And they're true. Because of papers in they be more year no I know thing. Because I say hallelujah. Once you say everything put God first and he would not let you. Angie, I say they are still trying me, but each time Obroni is born some number 1. Akosia they were the buyer. What to me say that shene If you are today they we are blessed. Akosia true, but they just use it for development more. They want to say there's nothing impossible that the Lord cannot do. Angie and Bekweji, lies upon lies. Even in my dream, they still failed. Very good dear. I say the old buggers immediately they saw your vision. They will try to kill the vision you have. Yeah. I mean Angie Ajema. I say, can't you do just to go? Ken Felisk. I wanna know what job is good for people who can't go to school in America and UK. Achoma Mumbre Muaha.
What kind of okay,
I want to know what job is good for people who can't go to school in America and UK.
Okay. They don't know about American UK. They don't know about it.
I don't know.
Yeah, so we say they don't know about it. Won't mean trying to go to they don't know about it.
Eh, be that no audio being cracked on the by you. Oh,
Well, so I say you or say yes, sir. Adult literacy. As whom we be I mean, what do you say? I say one more bar. Another one more bar. I say I want to say Latino. I did for one table of okra, but they go to adult your community centers or what?
yeah.
You can. We are serious on going. You know, life is seriousness.
Yeah.
Life is seriousness. We say more for me. One more bar. Who is on table of four. On table of four. And some bar. No more call yes, sir. English second language. Learning centers. You bet show yes. We choke a crack. And you know, life is boiled down to you. And to one go school. Yeah. Me buy an sister be or I say now or the same. No way from 4. We believe that they say could the masters. No way from 4. So could the masters. And you know, life where you won't say we develop ourselves. One course you are not at the end of your life. But you may do something better with your life. And do the answer what was one course school. You be say, Mammy and man course school, Papa man course school, and so what? Do the blue man. The wait man why you know?
Yeah.
Because me what my Fridays or bombarded me concerning school. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, and I'm here Juma snake. And you know, and be a kwame me bad, you know. I got opportunity. I go to university. And it depends on life. It depends upon you. Yeah, na your mentor we say media man go school and so what? Who the blame man yankopon? For blame man wa. We say Abraham Lincoln no more by mighty what they say FD Moody. Omunya said one education law. But let's say we say so impact the whole world. Moody is too. And you know, I won't panu. My yen stop blame game, no?
Yes. Yes.
You blame your mother, you blame your parents, you blame the woman go school. My friends, don't blame yourself. And to me, no excuse. Obabu chabucho or much in say the open so to me be about me school crack about me in your dia. Okay, uno. I didn't musan conference also in school so called Momoa, Bonic a camber of war, won't so yet my factory. Oko factory, okay, so Brunino, I don't know, of a country natural, and so what can't I find natural. So, okay, I did, yeah, I didn't know what me how say. Well, let you will be able to me, and you to me no any excuse. And yes,
that remember Muhanum, in the sense, between Musana make I say, maybe I continue education over here in my field. No fee, let me pay Adrian no pass. So I went to vocational school in Ghana. Maybe I had one. Man, got my vocational school in Ghana, so that's it. I came and fed up my education school again over here for another 2 years.
Right.
Maybe I got a job.
Yeah.
And me crib for the past 20 years. One material no. And he said, what you are doing say? Whatever field that you made the amount you educate yourself now. And you never show future and never more future, you know. And you have to know what your interest is. Oh, now what better yourself? Or being better, nobody can live your life for you. You have to live your life for yourself. That's one thing we have to know. Nobody live anybody's life. One has to live your life into whatever your projection is in life, and nobody accomplish it. So one thing being so and say go being so and say, so achieve we are. Want me achieve that. And so you go. It's when you say, maybe I want something done for myself, for the future. What am I telling you? Then they can go get you a certificate. Get you a certificate. It will take you places. It will take you places. Men can say in the school. You know, go school be. You know, say I can't. Yeah, university for the consider some school. You know, go school be. You go vast be. You go school be. But when you be amaya no, you need ason you kram we into aboye in life. Oh, say only a university education ejuma papa so be ejuma e be trio again o di agro. Omo mu stay now, they are all university graduates. Omo mu disika papa bi. So na me chire no. En me mu ho mo fian say na wo no it's not worth it. It's worth it. When you bibi fa ho say na nyame di amawni. When you ask for nyame di amaw. So you going to cultivate it. You have to cultivate your land. Nobody will come and cultivate it for you. When they say, "What's showing nyame di amaw?" Not why you hu adwuma. Oh, men kwhye no bi eye no ka say, "Eso bia eye we maybe." No. Then nyame di duom. Na ewrade di duom no. Shall cultivate the land the nyame di achonsa no. Cultivate it. And a bit germinate fence out of you are. And you want to be swaba. You put be a swaba. So don't underestimate yourself. This is why I will land. Don't underestimate yourself. Don't underestimate small starting. Or be in free class 1, go university right away. Free class 1, not class 2. In whatever potential that you have, no, work with it. Work on it. And it will generate something great. What it?
Okay, so you say what I said, you be see our what I said.
Abrantu yakoda. No. Tell late to the
crew. Yen kati na nyami admo wachana.
Yeah.
Ya continue on. Yes, ya admo.
Yep, very.
Sorry, let me change camera battery. No, sorry. You were.
Oh, that's what I know.
Oh, they've been quite sorry, let me change. I want to share screen. Sorry.
Yes, it's time to continue. And then
sorry, let me change battery. No, camera and battery. No, do let me change it.
Okay.
Could I say, brother said, I think Philly is attacking because maybe she's wearing comfortable shoes. Her case is different. Okay. I mean, just a brother is good. Please keep it that way. Too much friends is no good. So, quite the power. I'm not believing that can. I mean, some children are doing well, but some children have chosen to follow the behavior of the white. I have my right for no. And as a parent, you cannot impart your moral values on own children. Matilda, Ejira, Abraham Lincoln was a trained lawyer. Okay, at a point of correction. Thank you very much. Mercy Ochre, I say yes. So I mean, my dad always blamed his children for not going to school. Kate, Kate, Akuma, welcome. Good evening. Mr. Jack Anna. Yes, mom. God bless you. Good night, dear. Amianji, grandmother didn't go to school. I said, but was a business owner in Ghana and can read the Bible in tree with no help. She was a great and powerful woman. Me adobe. Me na ye why me sramo. Me nkwankwa die na me change battery. We say comment section wa aye. Na ye na me change battery. Okay, if you comment in this, we can now.
Wrap it.
Yeah,
Wrap it up.
And
Yeah. Okay. It's yes, you are the man. Oshani at was.
yeah, but also at part 4. You
Yeah.
very deep. Yeah, but can the way na ba be shemu Abrokyire and also and you can see a kind of for the almost testimonies ba. Omo ma ba for my no ma tu kwan a emba na yo muso boyo. Emba no so de omu kura kwa Abrokyire a mema na yo muso boyo. Ni na e be kan wasem. So achama meet us same time today. UK time 8 p.m. Germany time 9 p.m. America time 3 p.m. and Ghana time is 7 p.m. Saudi for Ukraine in time 10. Tinyami aduma ye de pa 2 beto aso ne de awaya na wo no. So achama wo ba fo bi bra. And yesu insha mo pa mobile media nso ma ne ye fe. And match ra ma adwene yesu insha mo pa. I am so happy that we be fine. Yes, one shram, Papa, and with prayer, na yeah, my
Okay. Everybody was within a dish as here, within a dairy. What is the money in my war?
Yeah.
Yes, me a bonfire with man.
Amen.
Yes,
Amen.
Mammy, Anita. Mr. We are compared drink if you go, and they ran away to be a charge on Mr. Drink if you go, boss. Compared drink for go, boss, yes, sir. Never do a comment. And I know I charge you too much.
Yeah, please with all of us.
Nami Aduma. Yes, in Shramapa.
Okay.
Amen. Amen. Amen.
Ebusian for yes, in Shramapa. I really love you. Makumamu, Kamasem. We are must be back program to be contribute. And yes, we need to be a movie, but all the time, much rather about the medians. Yes, in Shramo. Yamukese, Mamma to mobile soon. Yes, in Shram, and I'm more Dawson. Or Dawson. Irene. Yeah. And I said, Madam, and die, you'll be changing camera battery. Yeah, tomorrow is going to be part 2 of this program. Yeah, it's going to be part 2. It's really going to be part 2. My boss, I'll free Spain. Me ochia mo you be say you be program no because our story there. I know den pa, I know ye din. I was saying ko for tie bi no musuo mu aba. Or Ghana ni okwatena Spain no ba na ko wa no Spanish. Ba na poison. It's not easy. Nyame aduma. You are just hoping say me ne be on cat program. Wie ya me de to amamo so makwa kwakoti. Yebusian for yesu nhira mo no nyam kese. Nyame aduma be shia. Good night. Communion.